And good morning! Hello everyone!
Hello everybody!
How are you doing today? We have Nick here and Timmy here and hi!
Hello. And Snuti as well, hello!
Yeah. Oh, Winky looks, yeah. That's a funny expression, Winky. So,
and good morning, Z!
oh, and
yeah, just sniff more it's than Winky, yeah, okay.
and good morning, Blueberry! Hello! Welcome to the Snuti stream.
Boop.
Boop.
Could boop him.
Yeah.
And boop him. And we also, you can see our little good morning plate over there on the radiator. The radiator is not on, don't worry, it's fine.
So we have got our batch of merch after like 1 month in shipping.
Yes.
That took a while.
Well, actually what's funny is we got this package which was from the States.
Yeah.
And that took a month, and a package from the UK took 3 weeks. So,
And you're waiting for a package from France.
yeah, and that's also taken like a long time. So,
Yeah.
You know.
That's what happens when, family loves you.
yeah.
And you got family everywhere. Not in the States though.
No. That was just stream elements.
Yeah. So how are you guys doing in the morning? Nick, are you feeling, rested? I highly doubt it somehow. But I hope you're enjoying your breakfast with your family this morning.
Winky, time and place.
Time and place.
Time and place. Then you have to tell your dog to not do stuff on stream.
And Timmy, I hope you're enjoying your late night session.
Yes.
Having a good time.
Are you awoken this morning?
Oh yeah, she's clearly the awoken one. And Z as well. Hope you're having a lovely Saturday morning. Say hi.
Croissants.
Yes.
Definitely need croissants.
You need croissants. I'm awoken. And everyone else hanging out here this morning, welcome to the Snuti stream.
Yes.
We are so close to, this game being a reality now. But yet our list of tasks is quite long.
Yeah, but we've been ticking them off quite fast when we have been working on them. So good.
Jonas Tyroller, he said, don't set a release date for your game before it's actually finished. Our game is still not actually finished.
Well, it is kind of finished.
It's kind of finished.
It is finished.
Okay,
it's
we
just
had a good beta session.
Yeah.
Hurricane is coming next week. Oh no, that is bad stuff.
No.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Safe.
So, yeah. And we know this autumn is on its way, but no hurricanes.
No hurricane. It's just chilly. It's just chilly. I see.
Check Discord. All right, I'll check Discord.
Yeah, no, I just. Nick has croissant loot.
We need.
I'm jealous, Nick.
I'm so happy to be on this tablet right here. Right in this Dutch kitchen, I think it's a Dutch kitchen.
Is it a Dutch kitchen?
Whoa, look at that loot, Claire.
That is some proper nice croissants.
Oh, yeah.
I'm jealous.
Okay. We have a game.
That. We have a game?
We have a game.
We have a game? No, we don't.
Okay.
No, we don't have a game. Do we have a game?
We
don't have a game.
We have a list of tasks before we have a game. Here we are, stream tasks.
Ooh, stream tasks. We like stream tasks.
Next Wednesday, it makes a landfall.
Oh no. Keep yourself safe, Timmy.
And I hope there's no destruction in the landfalls.
Yes.
A landfall? It's called landslide.
Landslide?
Apparently.
No, landfall is when it arrives to the land. The hurricane.
Oh, I haven't heard. That's when
it actually gets there.
I haven't heard
because
about
hurricanes are they're formed over the sea.
Yeah.
And then they move over.
And then it's called landfall. Okay. Yes. I didn't know.
It's not landslide.
My hurricane knowledge is apparently quite limited.
And we don't have any hurricanes over here. So what should we do today?
So we got a couple of tasks there.
We have added in quite a few of them already.
This one was one we were planning to do.
The camera transitions,
Yes. So in certain cutscenes and events in the game, we want to have a static camera, which is controlled by a Cinemachine. And that needs some programming to do. We were not planning to not do it initially, but we see from our beta tester that it's probably necessary in order to like when a character says like that rock over there, and you like
what rock?
Look in the wrong direction.
There is no rock.
Or down the road and you're looking the wrong way.
Yeah, because we had a few people and also wanted to fix this as well.
To my left now. It sounds so silly. And I point to the right. Yeah.
So you point to the right.
My character artist still hasn't made anything for me. Ooh. Actually, when I'm working with, with a freelancer or with other people, I think the most valuable thing I look for is their reliability.
Definitely.
More important than their skill level.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Because the skill level can be improved or tweaked and iterated on, etc. But
the communication and reliability isn't there.
Yes, that's number one, and it can be quite hard unless you're working with somebody experienced and who has. Actually, did you just change that? Because now the grass is hovering on the left there. Let me show.
I didn't change it.
Okay.
I moved it and undid it.
See this?
That one's been hovering for quite some time.
Not anymore. We can't have hovering here as well. Hovering grass pieces. Okay, I think that's good.
Yeah, I might say something after another week. She does have a full-time job, but so do I.
Yeah, right. Yeah. I know that's often the challenging balance, right? But I didn't know you were planning to work with one. Did we know that?
With what?
The team was planning to work with a character artist?
Yep, she mentioned it.
Actually, yeah, I think she mentioned it. I just didn't know much about it. But that's cool.
It's okay, Krister.
Okay.
You have a lot on your plate.
Oh yeah, you are bothered by this.
I'm bothered by this. And I've been bothered by it for quite some time.
So what are you trying to do in order to fix it?
I'm making...
Another step. Right. So when Miss Pips come running up here, he just tumbles at the end of it. I thought it was kind of cute though.
I know, but it was a bit irritating, especially when you start getting the monologue and you're like, oh, okay,
I'm still tumbling.
I'm still bumbling. It's like, oh, there you go. That's better. Let's check it out.
Try it out?
Yeah. Should we maybe go to actually desktop so we can actually see what I've been doing?
Sorry, I forgot. Whoopsie.
I don't hear any audio.
The game is muted.
Oh, the game's muted.
That might be related.
Uh-oh.
Ah, we have birds.
Birds. Let's go. What is everybody up to this morning?
Yes.
Let us know. We're just running around with a mini pip. Mini pip. Did anybody find out what our release date is?
Oh. Uh-oh. I think this step is a bit too big a step for Mr. Pips. I think you can run up all of them naturally if you go back.
Yeah, I think you can.
Like, if you just... Okay, except the first one, really.
Except the first one. It's only if you go on the right side.
So we should probably add another step down there as well, then.
Yeah. A little bit.
Timmy says she's bad at organic modeling. It just takes practice. Because if you know your way around, hard modeling, I guess it's called.
Hard modeling?
Yeah, then organic modeling is just another step which takes practice.
Just another step, whilst Claire's making more steps. It's ironic. There you go. This is happy with that, I think.
Yeah, that seems nice. I would rotate a bit on the y-axis, but is it stream you will be launching on? I might have asked before. No.
Nope.
So, yeah. Juicy subject. We had another YouTube video up yesterday, and we have now announced
The Life of Mr. Pips.
The Life of Mr. Pips launch date is the 30th of September.
And so for everyone, the 6 viewers here, you now know that. For everybody else.
You 6 people, 30th of September, Mr. Pips is coming to an itch store near you. And he's very pumped to be launched. So yeah, that'll be good. It's only
we're only going to be releasing on itch at the moment because we We don't have time to do Steam as well.
Oh, that's a poor excuse. It's more the fact that we feel like it's a good way to start.
Yeah.
We have planned this the entire time. I mean, if we were aiming for Steam, we would have done it a long time ago. Like, laid out the plans for it.
Yeah, I guess so.
But Claire's come with erosion material. Oh, it's smoothing some height here.
Yeah, because it was bothering me.
Okay.
I didn't like it though, so I'm going to undo it a bit.
I think what you were going for was okay.
Okay, there you go. Let's try it again. He was like doing like this mini like glitch, and I didn't like it.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the rest of the fixing stuff we were talking about.
Yeah, so actually just in 11 days, like 10 days-ish. It's the 19th today, and we're launching the 30th. So, yeah, Miss Pips is going to be on Pip available.
He's going to be Pip possible.
Can I adjust the Y rotation of those steps?
Nope. I'm going to clean up some terrain first.
Oh.
Krista doesn't like me.
Have you seen that Snuggle Dog crew?
I know, they're pretty cute.
I just need to quickly switch over there.
What?
Yeah, so also when we got our merch yesterday.
Yes.
We got those stickers.
We got our stickers.
On there. And but we were not happy with them.
No, we were not happy.
They are not as vibrant and punchy and sharp looking as we were hoping.
Yeah.
So, yeah. We're
going to try and get it done locally. Because we have had stickers done before for our wedding.
Yes.
By one of our local printers, and it was a lot better quality. So we're like, okay, we're not going to do it for our Stream Elements or Stream Labs. What is it?
Stream Elements. Yeah. Yes, they have a merch store, and I just did the exclamation merch, and we
I love the floating strawberry going slowly up.
Yeah.
The floating strawberry.
Yeah.
Everybody's awfully tired this morning, apart from Timmy. Timmy is the awoken one.
She is the awoken one. Everyone else is like, just gonna snooze and lose today.
So you wanted to fix the white?
Mm-hmm.
Fix.
Because what I'm thinking here, like if you look at it from above, they all have like an arch.
Oh yeah, you wanted that, yeah.
I feel like we should continue that trend to make it look right. Something like that.
Of course, so finicky.
Right now it feels a bit more coherent.
Coherent is the word.
I can't do that, otherwise I'll mess up with that one.
No, nobody's here this morning because they're all just like, you haven't got the gym ball out today.
Was that a highlight of last stream?
It's the highlight of last stream, definitely.
There we go. See,
it was a good sound effect.
It was.
It was actually a good sound effect.
And it was a lot of fun to make and do as well. See, how's that done?
Who was it we were seeing the other day who was doing sound effects? Was it yesterday? Was it Danny? The Fall Guys? This Fall Guy thingy?
Oh, yes. Yeah. Danny just had a video up, yeah. I highly recommend that. He made Bean Guys.
Bean Guys, yes.
Yes.
The new alternative. This one, is that close enough? Maybe a little bit closer. I'm just gonna commit that we worked on this. Fix steps. And spring.
I was trying to show it, but YouTube does not want to collaborate with me.
YouTube is not Krista's friend today.
No? Here we go. It's number 19 on trending for gaming.
Oh, what? That is awesome.
Yeah. That is epic.
Oh.
But he put a lot of good effort into this.
And he was doing sound effects, so like... This looks familiar.
Remember, Nick is featured in here.
Yes, Nick is featured.
Oh, beep boop. Hello, Ryan.
And good morning, Rainer Ping. How are you all doing this morning?
Good to see you guys here. Nice having you.
We were just...
hi, friends.
We were just discussing about Danny's new video, sound effects, and making Bean Guys.
Because last stream we were making sound effects as well.
With the gym ball.
With a gym ball.
That just sounds really, really awkward, but it
was.
Yeah. But we needed to have... Well, we can show it, actually, for those who haven't been here last time.
A boing? We needed a proper boing?
We did need a proper boing.
Right, because we integrated beach balls properly into the game.
Yes.
In an important manner.
Beach ball here, and we needed to make sounds. And we couldn't find any.
But I hear it.
Oh no. No.
You're an absolute noob.
I'm a noob. I'm on. I had one job. Oh wow, you're hijacking on that as well. I didn't know that.
Impressive.
Did you fix that rock?
Nope.
You haven't, because he just like swung around.
But it can get stuck there. Whoa, that was
nice.
Powerful ramp.
I need to win this race now.
I know it's a little soon, but what's next after Mr. Pips? You know, whoa. Good question. I think first we're gonna become parents, so that's step one.
That's step one.
But we got things in the pipeline.
Yes,
I don't think we're gonna be stopping working.
No, we were making that. What was it again?
The ice cream game.
No. The Rick. Was it Rick or who was it? Oh.
The tension.
Person who recorded the closed beta.
Yeah, Rick did that.
Spoonie, no, it was Spoonie.
Spoonie also did that.
We should be making the Sandcastle Simulator 2021.
Because he went over to the sandcastle we have in summer and he was like, oh yeah, I see here, Sandcastle Simulator 2021 coming on. So yeah. But yeah, I've been improving that. Oh, Nick and Z, you should see I have some resale models added into the game.
Hello!
I just yoinked.
Yoinked.
We got now some mini sailboats that you can play with.
Mini sailboats.
You should go and jump on the castle.
I'm not jumping on the castle.
You should.
I'm not very skilled at jumping on the castle.
Oh,
So yeah, jump too far.
Should I show you how it's done?
No.
I'm really good at the parkour, like jumping in this game. I'm king of the sandcastle.
Yeah!
Look at that.
These little resale boats, they're not very movable. Do they float?
No.
Where's their floating script?
They do not float neither.
We haven't added a floating
And Julia,
script.
good morning, pals.
Good morning. Good morning, Julia.
Hi. Yeah. So
Just playing boats here.
I'll be turning on your download later, Julia, because she's getting the Mac build of the game.
Oh yeah.
But
Awesome.
yeah, this is polished. I'm jelly. Yeah, you should be.
You want to play with these little guys? Whee! Yeah, it's really thanks to all our closed betas, peeps, that we've managed to polish quite a lot of the game now, so it's a little bit better and stylish and cool. And I just realised that Umbrella is going through her little thingy.
Crisis.
Whatever.
Crisis.
Fine. I mean, look at it.
And who's ever gonna notice that? You even see her butt through it. Whoopsie.
Oopsie.
Made a whoopsie.
So yeah, so what we're going to be working on today is trying to make it easier for the player to see where they're supposed to go.
Rainier, my chat was broken. Don't know why my message wasn't getting sent. Well, we see this message. And
Yes.
you're welcome to repeat all the previous ones.
Yes.
Or, you know,
And
if there
Chris
were reaction ones, it'd be
show
tricky.
His nice little cup,
Hey,
his little
yeah.
mug.
So I'm enjoying our new team member today.
Team member.
So we got our cup merch. Hello, Tone the Brand.
Hello, and we have a redeemed Doggo Cuddles.
Ooh, I'm up for it.
No, I'm up for it.
What?
I'm up for it. I like it. I like it too much. Oh, hello, little doggos. Guess who wants cuddles? Oh, who wants cuddles, mommy?
And for those just joining in, we had our stickers on the wall back there, and we've also, got our little cup. And if you want to see more cuteness added to the stream, we can just write exclamation merch in the chat.
Vicky,
Where's
you
my
wanna
chat?
have cuddles? Or do you just want to be in Maurice's bed today, huh?
If you also want a cute cup. But we cancelled the stickers because we weren't happy, but the cups are really nice actually, so yeah.
Yeah, see, look at that stickers, look at them. And Winky's like, oh, stickers! Give me these stickers! Alright, so you're not giving Winky much space, are you?
How are you guys having a nice morning? Are you working on anything interesting today? How's it going, Ryan? Are you just here for the dog cuddles, or are you doing some interesting work yourself? Nice cloth rendering on those pups. Yeah, no, they have very realistic simulation here. You even see the way you stroke the
as
fur.
well.
Yeah,
Great performance.
yeah, no lag whatsoever. Full 60
And
FPS doggo.
Great mesh collider, as you can see here, because Winky can sit on Moritz. Is that any problem?
Yeah.
Seamless.
Very good cloth rendering and soft bodies as well have you included here. Rainier Ping says, I'm a little tired. Well, that's why we're here, to cheer you on. As you might have noticed, I think we're a bit tired as well. But we're waking up. Won't be tired for long.
I have excuses.
Claire has excuses.
I have excuses. There you go.
Feeling weird, trying to work, but like, right.
Just look at Morris, and there's your inspiration.
Oh.
Just he's saying to everybody that just take it chill and do everything upside down. It's fine.
Get a flop.
I love when he does this on stream.
I bet that's exactly what Timmy looks like right now.
Nice haircut.
Hey, thank you.
Nice.
Yes.
He was a bit upset though because the people that cut his hair ended up taking his sideburns away, and he's been taking ages to try and
my
grow
big
them.
sideburns.
Yeah.
I never had big sideburns. Do you like the little ones I got?
And I like the little
And he
ones.
always, whenever I go to haircut, there, it's like zip. I was like, oh, no chance to even object.
Like, excuse me, don't shave my sideburns, please.
Hey,
like,
Timmy reacted. That's some cool emojis, Timmy.
Which emojis are these?
Yes, it's the
cute.
more sleep. I like
Aww.
them. But are we going to start on today's main task?
We are.
Okay, so today's main task is going to be this big one here, which is that we're going to add in camera transitions in certain cutscenes and conversations, so we can switch to a second camera.
Yes.
Which is looking at the fixed position or tracking something.
And this is going to be awkward.
I want to ask you, have you heard? Yes.
We have heard about it.
We have heard this. I saw the video, you can check actually here on Discord.
It made us sad.
I posted it in our general chat. And it was like...
Discord. Which if you want to join our Discord is Snutiland right here.
See, I spotted it 3 minutes after we posted it.
3 minutes!
And the reason I was on was indeed because I was trying to figure out if Tantan has posted his video. And Tantan, if you're here this morning, you know, I'm still excited because Tantan is celebrating 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And for that,
he made a rap.
Yes, he's going to do a collab. And we have done a collab, or it's more like we sent in some rubbish material and he managed to make it sound okay.
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Where we were rapping about Mr. Pips.
Yeah. And Krista was rapping all the time on Trip and everything. I was like, Krista, you can't rap. You can't rap.
I apparently have no
rap.
talent in rapping. But yeah, the video is not up just yet. It's...
Oh, and Tantan has the same amount of subscribers as we have.
Oh, yeah. That is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We both have 1 to 3K. But he's growing faster on us right now, I think.
He's a screenshot and say the same amount, man.
Yeah. I think it's just, he's stealing them.
Nah.
There's enough subs to go around for everyone.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Subs around. Throw them around.
When did we plug our Discord? Did you do that?
Edit it.
Oh, yeah.
Edit it. But yes, we're really, really upset about Brackies.
Yeah.
Maybe he'll be sorely missed.
I was so pumped, to in the future on Unite Copenhagen.
Yeah, to meet them.
But I think, maybe we won't stray too far away from game development.
No. They'll be there. They'll just be there like, hello. Maybe you can fill a space. Oh, that's some big shoes to fill. And we are going to be doing another tutorial. Yes, that we will.
On our ocean shader for our resale game. But and also ocean physics included. But it's very impressive what he had going. Like full tutorial production, like constantly, and there were like 5 members or 4 members in the team.
I think it was 5.
Yeah,
I think
that was impressive. Anyway,
they did a lot of good work.
Yeah.
What is Brackies? Brackies.
Oh,
Brackies.
Yeah, we have our one Unreal developer or hanging out this morning and understand.
Brackies is basically like a really, 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 really good channel.
It's the biggest Unity game dev channel.
Tutorial game dev channel ever.
You probably recognize his face.
It's Brackies. Everybody loves Brackies.
Right?
Even Krista loves Brackies.
And this is his goodbye video.
Brackies, Krista's jealous of his beard.
He has some good beard growth. Yeah. So that's Brackies for you.
It's Brackies.
Yes.
We've used Brackies way too much.
Every Unity developer uses them way too much, but I think they have like 400 something videos, and they're going to keep the backlog open though. There's no more new videos coming.
Also, I've got loads of favorited thingies, so.
Yeah.
Do you want to? Yeah.
I just thought this was fascinating. Here's their channel stats. Announcing we're quitting. Through the roof. So yeah.
They will be missed.
They will be missed indeed.
And we took part in their latest jam as well.
Yeah. Absolutely. That was a good jam.
It was. And good morning, Gandhi!
Hey, Gandhi! We're here to fix all the bugs you've been sending our way, or actually we're going to work on something a bit
we're working
different.
on a feature today.
On a feature today, yeah. So...
Yeah, so I've got this now. I've been looking at it for the last like half an hour. I'm wondering how you wanted to go about it.
Why? We can open the dialogue script. That's a good start.
Done that.
Right.
So I wonder what we want to do with it.
So
we want
I
to
think...
set up a camera.
Okay. What we're going to do right now, you should commit your work first.
I've already done it.
Have you committed the work?
I already did it.
Wow, you're efficient.
Yeah, I'm efficient this morning. You're just elsewhere, and I'm just like, yeah, done. Job done.
Feature, good, yes. Just let's add in a camera.
Let's add in a camera, a Cinemachine camera. Here?
Yes, the entry.
Entry.
If you go back to the code, at line whatever of pop 20, or maybe the other line.
Entry 2, and why is there entries and entries 2?
Don't ask too much about entries 1 and 2, but I was talking about line 19. You did not go to line 19.
No, I'm trying to find entries 2, that's why.
It's a serialized field. Right, so an entry looks like this. It has a type.
Yeah.
Which can either be NPC, blue, mushroom, strawberry, flora, player, break, pickup.
Yeah.
And it should be able to have a camera.
Yeah. Oh, you mean up here?
No. Like, I think we should...
Like, that's why I'm confused.
Yes. So it should have public here, but I don't know, is it like Cinemachine camera or should just do a transform? Probably just a transform is easiest.
Probably, but do we want a Cinemachine camera? Because that has at least like...
We're going to use Cinemachine virtual cameras.
But then we need... we probably don't need...
So I think...
And good morning, Polar Junction!
Hey!
Good morning!
So,
you didn't save, so...
No, I know I didn't save. I did it on purpose because I was thinking we should add in here as a child of the dialogue.
Okay, yeah.
We will add in the camera. What is it?
Camera.
No, it's not that one. We need to Cinemachine, create a virtual camera.
There you go, you got it.
Yeah, except it's not where I want it.
I know.
There we go.
Yep.
And this should be the input.
Where is it?
It's you can reset transform. Apart from the scale, we don't reset and stuff like that, so we'll actually keep it as is. Oh yeah, because this is scaled in a funny way, but I don't think that affects the camera.
No. So it is there, okay.
That's rotated in a funny way too.
That is rotated in a funny way.
But let's reset
This
rotation.
is to zero everything out.
Let's turn our gizmos on. Yes, we got that camera pointing this way-ish. We can click solo and we can see it right here.
I love towers just going through the wall.
Right. That feels like
really weird.
There we go, feel the wheel.
Right there, yeah.
Something like that. And then we can just plug that camera in. So the question is, should we fetch...
Should we rename it?
Hmm?
Should we rename the camera or just leave it to C-cam?
That's fine.
Okay.
Because we're not going to fetch it by name. But I think we need to do like Cinemachine here.
Yeah. I don't think it's referred up above.
That's fine.
No, it's not that.
What are you complaining about?
Yeah.
And Paul Junction, good morning. Hope you're well. We are doing really well. We have got our new cup arrived at Snuti HQ. So he's looking pretty snazzy, if I must say so myself. Very satisfied. A very good quality on the cup production. So, and as you can see, also by the dog cam, we got some stickers. But they are not available. These ones are available if you are keen on having some. And some of them are a bit cool because they're not just emoji. We got some different ones. We'll see.
What do we use for the camera here? Sorry, I'm just having some errors with it. So.
I guess we just do. Oh no, that's playable director.
No, because all I've got up here is just the smooth path. It's on the outro.
I think we just will operate with the game object then.
Wait a second, where's the intro? Intro here. Do we have it somewhere else here instead? Shot animation, no. We just had it that we referred to Cinemachine. No, we haven't even got Cinemachine here either. I think we're just using find.
Now the thing is, you can see if we set the camera as active or not on the game object.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah,
so we probably should just use game object references.
Should do. I don't think we need Cinemachine. Just put camera. Don't think we can do that. Can we do that? What did you have beforehand? You just had Cinemachine. It's not happy. Yeah. Yeah, because it's only got Cinemachine, POV, Core, or Path.
Yeah. But I think just go with game object.
So public game object.
Capital.
I know.
There we go. Right, and with those, if you hit save now, hopefully we haven't cleared out every script in our game. Which is what I'm worried about.
Oh.
Let's have a look. One up. It's fine. See? Camera, none.
Did we lose any of our...
No, we
okay.
didn't.
Whew.
Okay. No, you did click up.
I know, I'm getting that.
See, it has text there.
Camera. Yeah, okay. That's
okay.
Good. Don't use game object, I'll find.
Oh, you know, Ryan. In small quantities, which means the entire game, it's okay. Give it up, Ryan. Yeah, about that. We're doing fine.
Oh, we got our clips back again now.
Yes, we do.
Wherever they are now.
We're doing great. Exactly. That's what I'm talking about.
Yep. And hello, Tenchi.
Hey, good to have you
your
here.
latest video, hoping the best. Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, that is nice of you.
Ryan says he'll never give up. Never, I tell you.
Yeah, it does couple things together quite a bit if you decide to rename stuff and etc.
Oops, what did I just do? Bushcam.
Okay.
That sounds so dodgy.
You want the bushcam.
We want a bushcam.
Right.
Let's just drag this in. You happy? Yeah.
Looks good.
It looks good. Now we need to make sure it actually works.
But so one thing we can ask ourselves here, right? Because this will always be active unless we were to disable it.
Also, do we want to set it active, or are we just gonna?
I think that's fine. But one thing maybe we want to do with it is have their priority to 0, and then we can turn their, for example, their priority.
Yeah, continue.
To 99 or something.
Oh, okay.
Right. So if their priority is default 0, and when we enable it, we just turn the priority up.
Yeah.
Or something. Or can we do like solo status or something? I probably can do solo on it. So we'll explicitly enable, disable it.
Yeah, but I'm just wondering, like, when Mr. Pips runs into it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you've got your camera, and then there's like, you've got to remember, there's also monologue going on.
And you can still move.
You can still move. This is why I was a bit skeptical about this feature in the first place.
Okay, but we were planning to do it on static conversations. So maybe on the monologues it won't work very well. But on conversations you can't move Mr. Pips anyway.
No, but the thing is that it's only like really referenced in like two conversations.
There is quite a few. There's the blueberry just as the end of summer. There's a mushroom in the autumn time. And there's a blue sun lassie pointing towards autumn.
Yes, but that was a bit hard to see.
Yeah, but it's still possible.
Yeah, but I mean, like, you can't see autumn from where you are.
Yeah, you can...
No, you can't.
Yeah, but at least you can point in the direction with the camera. Right? So you understand it's down the river.
I guess so, yeah. Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is why I've been skeptical about this entire time. Because we've got the monologue that does it, then you also got the cabin as well. Mm-hmm. When you go towards the thingy, then he says, looks up in the distance.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah. So I'm not sure how it's going to work with the monologues.
Okay, so you want to scrap this?
No, I don't know. I don't know how to do it efficiently, in a way.
Okay. Because I see it working fine on those I'm still dialogues. I understand that the walking ones. Yeah, but at the same
time, I don't like the idea of having to move the camera when you've got the text. Yeah.
Well, so the text will still be sticking with the right locations on screen.
Yeah, but if you're like moving the camera, it's a bit disorientating.
Okay.
That's one of the things I really, 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 really hate in games.
Okay.
Is when they do it, where they're like moving stuff and then it's like text and I can't read it.
Yeah.
So, for your information, your chat in the video area isn't chronologically correct.
I think Ryan, our chat in the video here ignores the bots.
The bots, yeah.
So maybe that's what you're thinking, because it just the bots will not show up in this screen. It's just you guys, you chatters. So
you're valuable.
Yes.
Did you see that the PS5 is going to be 500 kroners higher than Is that the Xbox XSX?
I guess that's what they call Xbox these days.
I guess
I
so.
have not seen that yet. Okay.
Even if they're both $500.
Right. Well, I guess they didn't get as good a deal getting it into Norway.
Nope.
Well, we always buy our consoles second hand.
Yeah, we do, so.
So we'll be...
Oh, it's called Xbox Series X. I haven't caught the name of it. Has been like, it's a new Xbox. Oh, it's a new Xbox. I mean, what's the new number now?
We should know this stuff, maybe.
Well, the thing is, I think it's easy with like PlayStation. They go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, you can't go wrong. But with the Xbox, it's like Xbox 360 and Xbox this, Xbox One, Xbox X, and I got confused then.
Gandhi mentions, did you understand why the game doesn't save the settings?
We don't have it saved.
We don't save the settings. It's actually intentional. Because how many times are you going to be launching the game? I understand as a tester, you probably launched it 10 times.
Yeah.
But for most people, you might launch it twice.
Yeah.
And if your settings are reset, I'm like, it's not that much hassle to set them again. It's just like music volume and... Right, so I wasn't planning to actually save that.
It does messages out of order if two people send a message too quickly.
Oh, right.
Okay.
I have not noticed that, Ryan. Thank you for pointing it out, but I don't know if you can solve it, because that's just the order the events arrive.
Yep. I know idea.
And it's JavaScript.
Oh, potentially gave me a really good idea. Maybe move the camera only when no text is showing. I'm not sure if that could work.
Yeah.
We could have it that it is delayed until the text is finished, and then it moves towards it.
All right, because then if we go back to our programming section here, then we could potentially have a camera type here. But then,
yes.
So then the player can go click, 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 click.
So if they're like they don't want to look at the camera, then they can just skip it.
Yeah, and then there will
be a better idea?
Be with no text. But the thing is, we can also extend upon that later. We can just implement it like this. See if you like it, right? And see if Claire absolutely hates this feature. I understand that it's not going to work on the one we're currently putting it on.
No, but the thing is that it's going to be used on maybe 2 or 3 monologues, so it kind of sucks. Well, and also, it's the same as well with the talking, because if you look in one direction and it's going to suddenly move the camera in the other direction.
Well, we need to obviously not break the what is called the 180 degrees rule in filming.
Well, that's like 3 of them is going to have that.
Why?
Because of the fact that when you're talking to this little lady over here, she also says over here, and you're going to have to turn the camera 180.
Not 180, maybe like 40 to 90 degrees. Depending on which angle you came from.
Exactly, that's the thing. That's the thing.
Yeah, but can we just see it?
Fine, okay, fine.
I don't think it's going to take that long to implement. Rather than us like, ah! Do you guys ever have this in game development?
This is totally not an important feature. This is called feature creep. Guys,
and thank you for following. I'm Des. Yes, hello Des. Right, we decided we're not going to have it here, so we're going to... Actually, I'm not going to delete it. I'm just going to move it out. Isn't that a good one? And then...
The PlayStation 4 looks good. The digital version is $25 cheaper here than in the States.
All right.
Okay.
Right. Nice.
For around $500, you can get a good programming PC. Yeah.
Wow, with the price of a new graphics card, I don't think you're going to get anywhere near I mean, like, last generation and generation before the graphics card is fine. Claire's using the 960. 970. The 970, sorry.
970.
And, you can play, Assassin's Creed, the newest games with that, etc. And just not the highest.
What are you doing? Here?
So I'm going to be putting this camera onto this character.
Why are we putting on that camera? Why don't we just put it on the monologue?
Because you were saying, we were concluding the fact that we can't have it during the monologue because the player has free movement.
Yeah, but that's where it's most important. I don't think it's most important in the thing. It needs to be in both of them, not just one of them.
Okay, well, let's just try it in the other one then, and then see what a disaster we've made. Is that an okay compromise?
Yeah, fine, we will do this. We'll do this.
Right, okay, we have it hooked up here.
I have my doubts.
Let's see.
I want a Demon's Souls remake. I love sword games. Optical drives are so 1975.
Who uses optical drives? Ryan, do you have optical drives?
Oh no!
There's a long time since we have an optical drive on one of our computers.
My last computer.
Did you have it?
It had a CD drive.
Oh, it did, didn't it?
A CD drive, which I don't think actually functioned.
That's whatever happens with them always, because it gets full of dust, and then you need to clean the dust out of them, and then they don't work.
I never used it though.
Yeah, exactly. It just caught dust.
And hello, EduDev. Hello.
Hey, welcome to the Snuti stream. We are next sentence entry. Blah blah blah.
Your next sentence.
Okay, so if continue conversation, show paragraph. I think here. If
why are we doing the continue conversation one?
Entry dot, because that's how it's gonna work. I think. Or
is this the click?
Yes, except I'm just realizing that we're in a monologue. Is that written in a different way? I don't think so. I think the still a monologue will run through this. Let's see. It's called the auto something. Next sentence 0. Blah blah blah. Don't ask about our code. It's a mess. It works. Yeah, see. Auto conversation. This is what uses
the next sentence.
Yeah, it uses that function, which will then carry on into this if statement here, if it's none of the above, where we can do and activate this camera.
Activate.
But I think I do regret calling it game object. I want to get this. What is that called?
Oh, Cinema Machine Virtual Camera. I don't know.
Get component. Got the brains.
Is it virtual camera itself?
Got the core. Oh, free look, isn't that it? No.
No, it's not that.
There's a lot of things to choose from. The shot, track.
Virtual camera.
There we go.
So it was virtual camera. Game object defined.
Because then I think we should switch this one up here to actually be virtual camera.
Yeah.
Instead.
I couldn't find that one when I typed it in earlier on.
No, I couldn't either. And then we can just like do this. Let's get this to compile.
And that's all of our text.
No.
No.
Right. Now we can plug this in.
I think Ryan is upset.
What? Ryan?
At game object
dot find is fine to do as long as it's not an update loop, right?
I love how Z is still using the little sunglasses blueberry.
Right, priority 99. And then we need to disable the camera afterwards. We need to have a last camera. We can just put that up here.
So accept it only because I have to. You have to accept it only because we have 10 days remaining.
Yes, we are launching the Life Miss Pips on an itch store near you in how long?
In 10 days?
A bit more than 10 days?
10 days, something like that.
Yes, it's the 30th of September.
30th of September.
So be sure to, hit follow on our itch page so you'll be notified about our launch.
And then you can see all of our funky, game object finds.
If you decompile the project, maybe.
Where were you again?
Yeah, where was I?
This is way too long a script.
What? Are you complaining about our coding?
Yeah, there you go, down there. Right
here we go.
There you go.
Yeah, so I think this will work, but then we need to do...
I'm being lazy today. Because you're doing all the typing.
If last camera, then last camera equals null. No, wait a second. Yeah, that as well, but it's also going to set the priority back down to 0.
Z, Control F, game object.find, 1,323 results.
No. Actually, I think we can just run that at the very beginning here.
Right, it's like I might decompile. Is this purely in order to make a Mr. Pips Little People DLC version?
Oh, little berries, you mean? You gotta obfuscate the code, Chris. Do we? I mean, it's like, is that even possible? I don't think so.
This is a fancy word.
I don't know if that's...
I would likely buy this game. Oh, thank you so much.
Hey, that's so nice. We have really high hopes for our sales estimates. Through the roof. We want
extreme values. That's what we're going to have. Extreme values. Where is it? There you go.
Extreme values. That's our sales numbers.
Extreme values. Extreme, I tell you. Extreme.
So, what have you been thinking about for...
Let's finish off this feature first.
Okay, so we're really happy if we could sell 50 copies.
Yeah, we'd be happy.
Right.
Sell 50 Mr. Pips.
50 pips to a home near you. Hey,
Thank you
Duart
for the follow,
Crates.
Duart Crates.
Hey, is that Dunart? Or I don't know how to pronounce your name. But if that's you, then say hi, you know. Or unless I'm mixing it up.
Z says there are tools for it, but I was only 10% serious. I wanted to shield you from Ryan's ridicule. Thank you, Z.
Ryan is 80% serious.
I want to know how that dialogue works.
Okay, let's go. Right? That is actually kind of cool.
But is it disorientating? It's disorientating. Is it cool, guys, or is it disorientating?
Well, it's supposed to be a transition. It was supposed to be a hard cut. But I'm stuck here. It does not continue
Doesn't
after.
deactivate, and there's no errors. Whoops.
Yay! Let's go! Oh, I can go and talk with him. Let's go talk with him. Jamie! Who's talking to me? Me, your brother. Okay, let's fix this.
Let's fix this. Crash.
Okay, so we need to.
Tutorial idea, Christy.
What's that tutorial?
Dialogue.
Oh no! Do not learn dialogue from us, please. We are.
Please learn it from other people.
Yes.
Please.
We are definitely going to be using a different approach to dialogue in the future.
Definitely.
We're going to be probably going down the route of what it's called.
I don't remember what it's called again.
Come on. I was about to call it speed tree, but that's definitely not it.
Playmaker.
No. You know what's used in, for example, the short hike?
Short hike. Oh my god, jeebus, what is it called again?
It's like branching dialogue system thingy.
It's not there. Brain ain't working. I can research it.
Okay, so clear last camera. It's now a function. And we're supposed to call it a bit few more places, I think. I think maybe we need to do it down here. While active, yield return.
Was it yarn? Was it yarn? I don't think it was yarn. Was it yarn?
I don't know. Start timed conversation. What makes that last 5 seconds? Oh, it's this, isn't it?
Yes, it was yarn. It was yarn. That was correct. I just saw the website. I was like, that's the right one. That's the right one. Thank you, Ryan.
I think it's this.
And hello, help. Hello.
Hello. Good to have you here.
Isn't yarn a package manager? Yes, it is also a package manager, but it is also a dialogue system as well,
yeah,
which is used in Night in the Woods as well, and is a yarn spinner. It's called yarn spinner. That's it.
This is what we're talking about. If I just turn my dark mode off.
Dark mode.
There you go.
Ta-da.
Right, so this way you have a structured like language to or syntax to write your dialogue, which you can branch and like have different things interact with it. So it's a good way to edit your dialogue.
Yes.
And then you just need to integrate that into your game, I think. But yeah, this is yarn spinner. But yarn as well, I think is you know, it's a generic way of writing dialogue in general. So I think yarn spinner is specifically for Unity, maybe.
No, I think yarn. It's just yarn spinner is one for Unity. I don't think there's anything else.
All right.
Shall I try this?
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
That is disorienting.
Yeah. Well, the camera positioning is terrible.
Still doesn't turn on.
No. Okay. I apparently didn't do it correctly.
Bye bye, Pips.
Why are you so far up? Hey, I know, we're working on it. And Hetmanos, welcome to the Snuti stream. If we haven't welcomed him, right? No. Then I hope you're having a good time. It's active return on tree. Start time conversation. What stops the time conversation? I don't understand my own code.
With a time conversation,
isn't there a stop?
There's a stop conversation.
Oh, I can just use this then probably.
Probably, it's a good idea.
Well, let's try to throw it in there and see if that does the trick. Because this must be called surely somewhere. Surely?
Surely.
Okay, let's go. Teleport.
That was scary. Where am I?
Yeah, you're on a pip hill. Let's go.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we will move the camera. No.
No, I think we need to start, actually,
Wait a second. Is it maybe working except... So let's see. A priority set to 99. If I set the priority 0, it works. Huh. Am I not doing this?
I haven't seen what you wrote for clear last camera.
If there's a last camera... Oh, wait a second.
It's not setting it in the first place.
Don't mind me. Okay, this has probably been working the entire time. I just haven't been called. Okay.
This is why.
I don't think we need it on the other one because, well, we will have it there anyway. There's no harm in it.
Just gotta unpause it now.
Doing good.
No.
Oh,
what happens when
we still haven't moved the camera position, so brace yourself.
Brace yourself.
Okay, you can walk the other way into it. You're terrible.
I'm terrible at doing it.
1, 2, 3, and... Yay! It worked! Woohoo! Okay, let's try to position the camera in a decent way.
Yes, please. Because I feel sick when just listening to him. Try and move that camera. I like the rainbow shirt.
Hey, thank you!
Thank you,
This is
Eileen.
my Cardiff shirt.
Cardiff shirt.
Eileen, how you doing this morning? Hope you're having a very awful day.
Awful day.
Yes. So, Miss Pips is going to be coming rolling through here.
And thank you for the follow, Snacky on. I hope you've got your snacks ready.
Right. So, I do agree that maybe in this scenario, that it might be a bad idea to switch to a static camera.
Yeah.
But I think there's many other places in the game where we could use this in a nice way. And the feature was relatively easy to implement, don't you agree?
Z says let's keep it family friendly.
What? Yes, absolutely. Sorry, I should have mentioned that earlier. It's a very family-friendly stream.
There's my bush.
Yeah, it's still too far out. It'll take some time tweaking that to feel better. Yeah. But I don't think we're gonna... Maybe we're gonna have it on this one, maybe not. But anyway, another feature is there. Which means that you can also throw it into a conversation with this one.
Okay. We'll throw it.
Right? So we can go in...
Want to tell us what you're up to today? Maybe you're working on something cool or taking it easy. Say hello and let us know.
Yes. Are you taking it easy? Or are you having a productive night or morning?
Morning.
Or if you're in a daytime time zone, like Julia. She's like, in India, so...
Found a bazaar or marketplace asset today. It's cute.
Okay, cute.
And good morning, Matthew.
We like cute assets, don't we? Or do we like making them ourselves?
Aww, it's hand holding. What?
Let's not rotate on the Z axis. Let's probably...
Is that what we're going to be doing, Eileen?
Oh, is it a hand-holding asset?
Yeah.
Oh, we should open it on the laptop so we can show them.
That's also what we should do, Mr. Pips and all his little mini Pips. How are you doing? We're doing very good, Matthew. How are you doing? How is everybody else doing as well?
We're having a spiffing morning with Miss Pips.
Z is curious where you're taking the game now, Eileen.
That's a very good question.
Oh, it's cute.
What was this?
This is it Barack? This is working on his artwork. His game. It's a cute one.
Ah.
Sorry, Chris doesn't have it on a laptop right now, but that's really adorable.
Sorry, I'm busy placing camera.
Gandhi just found a hidden pip. Have you found all of the hidden pips now, Gandhi?
Ooh. I think he has, because there's only 10 of them in the game. Yep. Are you finding more than 10? Then even we don't know about it.
Or maybe we forgot that there was one there. Why is she pointing in that direction?
Because he's talking about the blueberry in one of the conversations.
You mean Jammy?
Yeah, Jammy.
Oh yeah, I forgot
this
that.
is Jammy Cam.
This is Jammy Cam.
Whoa.
What is happening?
Why can't I rename this? Nope.
I think we got to do it up there. It's probably because you're on solo right now, maybe.
Jammy Cam.
I think it was just bugging out.
So,
my game is currently not including hand holding. I'm not sure where to take my project next.
oh yes, it's tricky finding out what to do with your game. It's so hard to scope it right as well.
It is really hard.
Excuse me, Miss Blueberry. Oh, how sweet. Are you from the strawberry bush over there? Right, then we're gonna go jammy cam.
Jammy cam.
And then it's gonna go, yes I am, I was knocked away by the bone. Okay, that seems okay.
Dear, I see a moldy strawberry hanging on. I don't think you need to move the camera again. Have you tried talking to him? I must have missed him.
Hope to speak you soon. See ya. Okay, then we have a second conversation here, which is what entries 2 is for, which we were complaining about earlier.
Yes.
What is entries 2? It's for secondary conversation. Excuse me, Miss Blueberry. Yes, hi, sweetie. I noticed you talking to that moldy.
We don't need to move over there.
No, but the thing is, what you can sometimes you might not have one.
No, but the thing is in this one, there's an important one, which is the dash and right. So you're supposed to go in this direction.
Okay.
But yeah, okay. Chris just wants it.
Okay, now we're going to be definitely breaking that axis of 180 degrees in filmmaking.
That's what I said to you.
Yes, it's happening. Fine. You're right.
Matthew's doing great. He's learning about stylized 3D and loving it. That is awesome.
Ooh, yes. Just like Mr. Pips
so
is having stylized 3D as well.
Yeah, I'm not sure I really like this feature.
Okay, it's just an experiment.
It's an experiment.
We're launching in 10 days, guys. It's time to experiment, right?
No. I'm picturing a bunch of Unreal avatars holding hands across the globe now.
That is good.
To be honest, I only play for exploration and finding bugs. That's candy. At max, I found 5.
Oh, max, you found it's 5 mini pips.
There's more pips.
There's 10 of them.
More to find.
Right, but they're not that well hidden. So maybe you are looking in the 2 obscure places compared to the little bit more obvious ones.
Yeah.
Right, we don't take it that far off the beaten path to get them.
Singing weirdo.
That'll be good.
I want on air.
Okay, so which one were we going to hook it into?
Timmy likes everybody.
Let's see.
You Unreal devs need to stick together. Yes, Z, this is it. Motivation. That's important. Irene, did you see the sitting owl? Sitting owl? Oh, is that the one on the positivity?
Oh, yes. The one with its legs crossed.
His legs crossed. I didn't see it.
I'm going to show this now. But we need to have...
Rafter cam?
Rafter cam, yeah. Okay. You want to try out the Beatrice conversation now?
Yeah, sure.
I'm
really not a big fan of this feature.
But one thing, we haven't done transition. We could smooth like zoop, zoop.
Yeah, but that's so disorienting.
Whoa. That was a wrong camera angle.
Yep. Okay, I'll go talk to him then.
That went pretty poorly. So Blue Beatrice's conversation changes after you talk to Jammy, so that's why we have to go over and have a little talk with him before we head back again.
I'm not so sure I like this.
But what if we turn the transition on? Like, zoop, zoop.
I'm not so sure neither.
I don't know. What are you guys thinking on stream?
I don't know. I find it disorientating.
Transition, blend hint.
Where's that again? Oops, not inherit position.
Spherical position. Just try that. I think that's it.
Is that on the Rafter cam? I'll put it on the Jammy cam because that's faster.
Yeah. But I don't know if that's how... But why was this going to stall this one? Why was it pointing sort of to the wrong direction? Click solo.
I don't know.
That's so weird.
No idea.
Can you actually change the field of view of this one to like 50?
Let's do that.
Strange. It's pointing...
Maybe it's to do with the... player camera, for example, maybe?
Wait a second. Lock the target with world up. There's a transposer on here. You're supposed to remove that, I think.
Do
nothing.
Yeah. And it also has an aim. Yeah, it's the composer, isn't it? That
Yeah, just set do nothing on that as well. I don't think we're supposed to even have it. And then I think the raft cam also has that then.
I don't know why. I think it was added on already.
That's strange.
Because we've made new ones, right?
And Joseph 12 just hosted the stream. Thank you so much, Joseph. How are you doing this morning? Or late night? Because it's like 9 o'clock in the evening for you over in Hawaii. I hope you've had some good pixeling sessions. Or what are you working on? Or maybe you've been jamming with your drums.
Oh, yeah. I recently added fences to my favourite animal list. Again, he's now trying to enter the home without triggering the cutscene. Then you'll find the oven is a bit weird if you do.
I don't think we'll be able to. Yes. Timmy, go get some water. In Unity, color has grayscale value from 0 to 1.
That would work better.
Did it? I didn't see it.
Well, I mean, it didn't transition.
But it's aimed in the right direction.
Yeah.
I don't know, what do you guys think about this camera switching thingy? To show relevant information.
Oh, I can't talk to him again. Okay.
Yeah, but you could have gone over and...
Yeah, but I didn't want to go discuss such a long conversation.
Yeah.
It's good to be bleachers. There you go. Hello. It's dependent on the player camera.
Oh.
Because I came in at a different angle and now the camera's like that.
That makes absolutely no sense. No, you know what this... I know exactly what's happening.
What's happening? Yeah.
So let me show you this.
Okay.
And just to, in Saxtra, the video question, I think you just divide the value by 255 and you'll get the correct value, sounds like. I'm not quite understanding. Yeah, but like C is suggested. Right?
Yes.
So Z has the right answer for you. And Evelyn also have the correct answer. Just remap the value and you will get there, just a lerp.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you unplay the game.
Yep.
Can I have a look? Can I show you? So, we have mapped these ones as children of blue beaters. Except blue beaters will turn to look at the player.
Oh, man.
Which will change our positioning of all our cameras. So, we cannot have the cameras as children, but we can just move them out.
Okay. That's what we'll do.
And they can stay here, really. Because they're still linked up.
But they still weren't transitioning.
No, okay, maybe we can look at that then. How do you make the cinema machine transition again?
I don't remember.
Don't we need to have on camera live, list empty?
I can't remember how we did it again.
Do we
No,
need
the thing
to...
is, we did do it in wintertime and we dropped it because it caused too much lag and wasn't very good.
I think you can just do this.
Oh, okay. The breaking hit said we need to do cuddles. Sorry.
Oh.
And did you read Joseph said you're coming out so soon? Super cool. Thank you so much, Joseph.
Yes. I'm so proud of your project. Thank you so much, Joseph. Yeah,
and thank you for the follow, Tarnos.
Hey.
Cuddles. I just came here, but I like the camera switch, just not so sudden.
Yes. We're gonna try to make it less sudden. If anybody remembers how to do cinema machine transition, then please let us know in chat because we don't remember. I'm gonna research. Oh, that's a snuggly dog.
Oh.
I like that emoji. See, that is a cute emoji.
You're really cozy this morning, huh? You've become so calm the last few days.
I'm adding a note on Discord. Okay, thank you, Gandhi. Let's have a look.
Have I got the right angle? Because I don't really see anything.
Yes, it's a perfect dog angle.
But you don't have any Mickey snuggles. Oh no, oh no, oh no.
And for anybody just joining our stream, feel free to tell us what you're up to or ask what we're up to if you have no clue what's going on this stream. Because we're working on the Life of Miss Pip's cute little adventure game about a strawberry who's trying to find his place in life. I'm so happy having you all here with us this morning as we're gonna get our game dev on.
Your eye is all swollen today, Winky. What have you done with it?
She looks very serene though. Okay. Cinema machine, transitioning between cameras. How to use cinema machine to make transition? I should know this stuff, I've done it before. Hey, Nick is flaunting around his new emoji. Yeah, it's really cool. I'm glad you got that one approved. It's Nick Sharp in Fall Guy mode. Hey, that's a cool emoji.
Oh, guys.
I feel the car got a bit disconnected on my screen though. Okay.
You upset me, you know, getting no snuggles?
Is this a good enough doggy snuggle, guys? But how about C++ guy? I don't think we think Nick's more the C# guy. Just want to see my emotes. Yeah.
There you go. There you go. Oh, whoa. There you go.
I'm all caught up on chat, I think.
Okay. Whew.
I am blending between virtual cameras. Here we go.
There you go.
Hey!
Lots of
I
emojis.
feel like the chat is craving something, but I'm not going to give it to them yet. No. Not yet.
But while you're trying to figure out blending cameras.
I need them to tell me, like, hey, this is how you do it.
Oh, wow, see, Sally, so many emojis.
Oh, yeah, you want more emojis? Okay, we will give you guys more emojis. From now on, the next 2 minutes, we have emoji-only chat, so...
Whilst Chris and I are trying to figure out how to blend these cameras.
Yes. We're gonna do our focus.
It was a custom... I don't think this is how we did it.
Custom blends. Now, this seems complicated. Isn't there a simpler way where it just, like, automatically tweens?
Auto-tween.
Auto-twinning.
Auto-tweening.
Default blend style.
I'm going to research
I think maybe... this is custom.
The thing is, we struggle with this, and we didn't get
For
it
blends
to work.
between specific cameras, use the custom blend list. Use the default blend property in the Cine Machine brain.
Oh, that was it. We needed a brain.
Okay, if you go scroll to the top, we have the brain hooked up to the main camera. There's the brain. And then default blend cut.
That might
Right.
change some of our other stuff, though.
Just try ease in and out.
I'll try easing it out. Okay, let's start.
If not, we can set up custom blends right there.
Yeah. Because...
That cut, so that was good. Oh, okay.
That's what I thought. 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 I knew it
And the
was gonna
chat is
mess up.
going wild. As we make another current disaster. Well, that's some cool emojis, guys.
Camera cut event. No, camera activated event.
Yeah, we need to create the asset, I think.
Oh gosh.
And just like save it in project under animations or something, and just like call it
See, we'd already tried to do it.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just put spring.
spring transitions. This will be fine.
We've already tried
You see,
this.
list is empty. Then in here, from, and there will be cam,
Cam
I think, because that's the one on, yeah,
to rafter cam.
yes.
Then we've got cam to jammy cam and jam to fish cam.
Yeah, and then you need to do back again. Otherwise, it will do a hard cut.
Okay.
So from rafter cam,
Rafter cam to cam.
yes.
This sounds dodgy. Jammy cam to cam,
Mm-hmm.
and then push cam to cam.
Isn't 2 seconds too long? Should we do 1 second? I think.
Yeah, I guess so.
Cine Machine is great when you figure
I
out
wanted
how.
to add a bunch of
Oh yeah, sorry.
hearts, but it doesn't like system emojis.
Yeah, because they count as text, don't they? I'm so sorry, Ryan. We have the pip love though. You can unlock, if you have enough channel points, you can unlock the pip love emoji.
And thank you for the follow lost algorithm.
And I'm sorry for not switching chat earlier. So I'm gonna join in. Oh, I time's up.
Yeah, I know. Time's up.
I didn't realize time's up. You guys did a good job.
Okay, let's have a look here now. Did I miss anything else out in those emojis? Apart from thank you for the follow.
No, because it was emoji only.
There you go.
Well, that was kind of nicer. I don't know. What do you guys think about these new transitions?
Okay, let's go have a look at this other one then.
As long as we don't overuse it and it's only like for specific things where you're supposed to highlight.
Maybe.
Well, here you're coming in the wrong direction. But
Finally, there's my bush!
I think that'll be fine. As long as you know.
Okay, let me just let me just redo it again then.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Sorry.
Go up there, talk to Jammy so we get the other camera angle. And then talk
Transition
to...
is good, but maybe not behind the blueberry.
Yeah, but we're trying in that conversation to show the strawberry bush in the distance. Because she's talking about the strawberry bush. And it'd be strange if I moved like... I don't know, I feel like you should see the foreground. Move that camera a bit forward and we should be there. Ah, okay. Yes. Okay. Hey.
What?
You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, weren't we supposed to test the other one? Okay, that's fine.
That one already.
Yeah, but yeah, move that camera a bit forward.
Yeah, I don't like the movement of the thingy there. I don't like it, but I find it disorientating.
We have it actually apparent in this one. It's there it is.
Oh, I think I'll move it out then.
Yeah.
Let's just move that a bit. Let's just silhouette so we can see. Oops.
Something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah. A bit up maybe. Yeah. And then turn it a bit right. The left I meant, sorry.
Yeah, I thought so.
And then
the field of view is a bit weird.
I think the field of view on the characters is wider.
Oh yeah!
I don't remember what the field of view is for the other one.
I think it was on 50, wasn't it?
I don't know. Can you clear out this Z rotation? However that bunch you get in there.
Z rotation? Here, let's go there.
That's the Dutch tilt. That's not good.
I did notice it was a bit weird.
So I hope you all guys are having a spiffing morning, because we sure are. I finished my tea.
I know you drink it too fast. But then again, you did have less tea. It's a smaller mug. It's only enough for blueberries.
There's only one solution to this.
The only thing I don't like is the fact that the camera moves and then you're like running and it's like, there's my bush, and the text I find very hard to, because it goes off screen almost. That I don't like. And have a look at Miss Blue Beatrice. But that's only because that's something I really, really hate in games when they do it wrong. I don't think I want it in my own game.
Okay, I agree that in that scenario I don't think it's good, but here I think it's lovely.
Yeah, but I think like it's not important to see
Okay, so one place in the game where it is important is that mossy rock, because the players even miss it.
Yeah, that's true. That is true. I suddenly got to pee for some reason.
I'm so sorry, see. Hey, we can at least now enjoy our new cup.
Don't pee in the cup there.
You still haven't tried out the other camera direction there.
Sorry.
That's the one I'm waiting for.
Sorry. I didn't realize you wanted me to test it. Like, I was just.
You need to go talk to Jamie.
Yeah, talk to Jamie. Jamie, yo. He's just got a long conversation. Why are you still here? I know. I spam clicked. Okay. I spam clicked.
Should be like a minimum duration between conversations, I think. That might be a good idea to program.
Minimum duration? What do you mean?
Yeah, that seems nice.
Yeah, that seems nice. Like, maybe it only works when you're talking to people, maybe not in the monologues, I think.
Yeah, that was my thought. But what we can implement quickly, because I've seen
then
that
I'll disable it from this one, because I don't want to have that.
You can just unhook it, really.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do, but I also delete it, so we don't get a mistake there.
Then I think it will automatically unhook. No, it says missing. Okay. Oh, that's close enough, isn't it?
I'll just say none then.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, fine. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Party!
Party!
Hello, Yoshi!
Hello, how you doing today? Hope you're having a nice time. You've been playing some good games this Friday evening for you, late night. Or maybe you've done some development work, you know?
Or you're just here to watch Moritz be chilling in his bed.
You know, doggo cuddles. We had good doggo cuddles earlier.
Oh, there you go. There you go. Aww. Don't squish Winky now, my friends.
That little chihuahua is in the danger zone.
Just in the danger zone. Don't worry, no. Morris does not squish Winky. It's fine.
Yeah, they're good at...
He's very accommodating.
Yes. So. Except occasionally you'll find Winky's going to drink and Morris is in the bed and she can't figure out how to get back into the bed because he's blocking the entrance, and she will just be standing on the floor for like 3 minutes like, what do I do?
Get here? And she'll just be looking up at us like,
can you help me get back into the bed now?
Can you give me a boost?
It's like, okay, I'll lift you above Moritz and put you in.
It's kind of funny.
Yeah, that it is. Yeah, so I was thinking, what's bothering me is that you can accidentally double click and end up with start a conversation very quickly.
Oh, okay, you want to have a timer between that, you mean?
Yes.
Okay.
So,
okay. That's what you meant.
Let's put a state here for float time convo ended equals 0f. Right, and on conversation stop.
Wherever that is. He gives a search
for stop here. we will just do. I've learned now. I'm not going to do delta timing every frame update, guys, because I've I go around and remove that every place in our code. Time. Right?
Yeah.
And then if the conversation is attempting to start by the clicking in the update, so interact.
There you go. There it is.
I think that if time.time is less
it's more than 5 million.
Minus 1 second.
No, we need Krister.
Extreme values.
No. Extreme values. Extreme, I tell you. Extreme.
You need extreme values.
Okay, I'm sorry. We need more extreme values. Right, is this correct? Or am I doing Yoda speak now according to Nick? So if the conversation ended at a certain time slot and we're checking the current... Okay, I'll switch it around. Do that first. If time ended is... oh man, I can't wrap my head around it. I think this. Right? Then it will ignore the interaction.
Yeah, well, maybe? Okay.
Maybe. Either it's not going to work at all now, because I can't think about how logic statement works.
I think our logic today is it's not functioning. I'm going to blame that.
It's early, okay? It's going to be party.
It's going to be party. What just happened?
Yeah, okay, so it even stops the... okay. Okay, the logic statement...
Do we need this functionality?
Yes, it's just written the wrong way. It's just flip the crocodile.
Flip the crocodile.
Party bar! Yes, I'm voting for party bar too.
Flip it.
Yeah.
Morris is like, oh, you just did the party bar. I'm leaving.
He's out of here. See, now it works fine. Okay, conversation work, conversation here, spam click in. Right. Okay, so I'm a bit unsure what's happening actually in between there.
Yeah.
Okay, it didn't quite do what I was expecting.
Party boarding game is an Easter egg.
that would be a fun Easter egg.
That would be hidden in a disco cave.
Disco cave.
Disco cave.
Well, actually, we do have a cave on our to-do list, so.
Wow. Gonna have to go into Notion.
Actually, I think what we should do here.
With buffed blueberries as bouncers. Like blueberries with like, it's like, really big muscles.
Oh, yes.
I gotta add in.
Where's the start conversation?
What on earth? Oh, okay. Notion is telling me stuff. It's making me learn new stuff. And I'm like, no.
Start conversation. Where is that called? It's called in the start time conversation, and that's the only place it's called. Thank you, Javasaurus, and a little bit of Nick and Z. I like how we have some credits in here randomly appearing.
It's important comments. Important comments.
Oh yes. Yeah, this is not it. Why would do? I don't get it.
I don't think we need it.
I think it's a nice feature.
I mean, not many people are gonna do that.
I saw it actually happen in Rick's playthrough.
Oh, okay.
And some of the NPCs have quite a long conversation, so it's been nice to avoid it. Right.
But I don't skip story. Story important. I have no idea what Chris is doing right now, so
I have no idea neither.
I'm just gonna get me coat.
Get me coat. Actually, I'm gonna leave that back the way it was. I think.
Get me coat.
Basically, I want to ignore the interact button if it's 1 second since the last one. That might be, yeah, because that's what was happening. Was not doing the move bubble thingy, which was updating the movement of the probably something. I don't know. Let's try this now. We go and talk to this NPC. Actually, maybe I should make it longer than 1 second, so it's a bit more obvious what's happening. So for the first 5 seconds after the conversation has ended... Why are you so confused?
I'm just confused because I have no idea what you're up to right now.
Everyone else knows what's going on, right?
Please say no. Please say no.
As soon as this conversation ends, I should not be able to do anything with her again until 5 seconds has passed. Okay, definitely. Oh, okay, it gets stuck on the first one instead of starting it. What? Oh, time combo ended. Next sentence, clear last camera. Oh, I think this finished the entire conversation. Seems like this one is not running quite when I expected to. Stop conversation, stop conversation. Time ended. Setting that here. Is that stop conversation? Do not learn conversation system from us. Enter index. Blah, blah,
We
blah, blah,
regretted
blah, blah,
this. We regretted writing our own system for this.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine writing your own system for it. Just don't write it the way we wrote it. That's what I'm trying to say. Or not. Yeah, or not.
I got lost.
You got lost.
Yeah. I got lost of what you were trying to do in the first place, so...
You know what I was trying to do?
Nope.
Come on.
Nope.
I'm just trying to be able to, when you spam clicking.
Yeah, I was spam clicking, yeah.
Yeah. But
Which of our closed beta testers are here right now spam clicked?
that's a good question. Yeah, it stops on the first one on the next one.
That's not what we want.
That's not what we want. Okay, I'll disable the feature for now, but I think I'm gonna leave it in as a... it's supposed to work, but it's kind of a bug. And we'll fix it another time.
It will never be fixed. It'll just stay there permanently.
This
all eternity.
did not work. Commit as is.
By the way, I don't really think this could be useful. Thank you, Gandhi.
You guys
Because-
can continue the stream without me.
Yeah, because the dialogues are not forced. There you go. Yeah, just you just do that. There you go.
Okay.
The dialogues aren't forced. It's optional.
But if you click a lot, you might accidentally click too many times.
So you don't have to click through them.
Okay.
I just think it's something minor. I'm like,
Yeah, we have more important things on our plate. Is that what?
yeah, that's what I'm thinking about.
It's so hard to stay on track, guys.
I
Okay,
don't-
we've done this task, but we can hook it up more places. Should
Yes,
we hook it up
can
in
do-
autumn?
Yes, but should we get rid of this?
Okay, we can delete it.
I just
I'm sorry for wasting 10-15 minutes on it.
no. It's just I'm just talking about the fact that it's just such a small thing.
Can we just leave it there and I'll try to fix it another time?
It's okay, Krister. It's okay. See, you got
Thank you, Z.
I'll leave it in, but I don't really want to. Yeah.
This feature has history now. Right?
Chris is in another world today. That's what I feel. Krister didn't wake up this morning.
Still fast.
Today, this is just a clone of Krister.
Still
Okay.
fast asleep, apparently.
So let's go into.
By the way,
world.
Chris, the idea was good for future games, but when I was going to bring water, I was thinking about that fact that, yes, it's a terrible idea for this game. Thank you, Gandhi. Love you too.
Gandhi, we appreciate your 2 cents.
Your 2 cents are much appreciated. Yes.
It's probably made me. I'm like, yo. Okay. Why'd you go up there? So let's just put this camera here. So we want to have this one. I think has a little conversation here. He's like, "Yeah, well, hello there. Which bush did you fall from? Do you know where I can find them? They're over there by the water rafting." So let's just hook up this one.
You're pretty efficient.
I am pretty efficient. I have no idea where the camera is actually going, but
You can do move to thingy.
yes, that's it. It's over there. Wait. It's just where is it again? Edit. No, is it?
The game object.
Yes, move to align with view.
Yes.
There you go.
Actually, that's a good way to pose the camera. Usually they're aligned with view, because then you can actually just move the main camera in place.
I can do that actually. So for about here, like this camera position.
A bit further up.
Bit further up. Oh, I can't remember how to go up again.
You hold right click and press E.
Press E. There you go. Whoops.
Too far.
D.
Q.
Q.
You need to get these hotkeys in.
No. Okay, Q. Okay.
Complicated.
There you go. What about that one?
Yeah, that's quite good.
So now game object, align with view.
There we go.
There you go. Drop done.
Yep.
We just need to put it into the brain afterwards.
We can still call it the raft cam.
Yeah, this one can be called the raft cam. So I'm just going to duplicate this one.
Yeah, we need to remember to put it into brain. I wish when Unity duplicated objects to just place it below the current one. Why is it scrolling to the bottom of the list every time? Like,
it's really irritating.
Ryan, you're working in like Unity future versions, you know, like 2020.
Have they fixed it?
Point stuff. Is that still how it works? Or are they going to be fixing that when you duplicate things? It doesn't like plop it on the bottom of the list. Yes, yo, Ryan, talking to you. Did you understand what I said, or did you catch it?
Lassie.
I can repeat it if you want me to.
You keep vibrating the thingy.
I'm so sorry.
Chris is like using my armrest, and it's just like he's bouncing it, and I'm like, ah!
Apparently we're in a funny mood here today.
Apparently we're in a funny mood.
When duplicating, it goes to the bottom of the current parent. Why? I know
Ryan from the future, did they find a cure for Unity?
Yes.
I have a funny feeling this is like unreal.
This is what feels like using Unity. We're skating on sunshine. Whoa. Yeah.
So, yeah, pointing that camera over there is going to be like...
Can I try? I'm
going to take a toilet break whilst Krista tries to fix this camera.
See here?
Which is 180 degrees.
There, you can spot the autumn off in the distance.
Can you? Really?
I wish I could move this piece of mesh over there.
Let's make it meshy.
I think like from here.
And then Douglas can have a treat when you come back. They're being so good today.
I can't exactly move the camera that far, but if I put the camera around here, a bit closer to the sun, Lassie, because you're talking with this character, and the camera moves to point there. And autumn cam, game object, align with view. So that, looking snazzy. And we can zoom this one probably more in. Not quite happy with this placement. Let's go a bit further left. Something like that. Let's see. And then we're gonna hook it up to this conversation. Ryan says you might be able to make a script that hacks it. Oof, well, there's some asset store ideas there, isn't it? Isn't there an asset store asset for everything in life? And as the Snuti bot's asking right now, have you seen our new Mr. Pips mug? Feeling very cute today? Then be sure to go and check out our merch store, because yeah, we're cool like that. Hey, I think it's a really nice quality cup actually. Proper popping colors. And we wouldn't want you guys to have anything but the best, so you know, the stickers we decided to not do because we thought they were poor quality, which you can see over on dog cam.
Dog cam. And then foot cam.
Howdy, I have a script for you. Ryan has found a script. I'm gonna open it up here. I'm trying to go into conversation of her and hook the camera up.
Oh, okay.
I want the cup in black. Sorry, we don't have the cup in black.
This is dark mode cup.
That would be really cool though.
If you really want to be down a raft over to that orangey rainy place.
Mm-hmm.
Well, which camera did you... Okay, what does this camera look like?
Can I just quickly switch over to the laptop? Duplicate an object in hierarchy, send it to the bottom. Love this question. Made my day, my dude. Write a custom script for the Unity editor, blah blah blah, yes. and simple code that will allow you duplicating, selecting and moving, instantly making it as a child.
I love the debug log there. Sir, I duplicated and made it as my child.
But the thing is, I don't want it as my child. I want it below, you know? Otherwise, if you duplicate many times, then, oh yeah, well then, you get them all as children, then you can just unparent them. Well, that's kind of clever.
Yep. Dark mode cup or Unity missing texture magenta? I like that.
That would be actually pretty funny.
Ryan just says you just need to edit it to make it the next item.
Yeah, well, there's another one here apparently.
I also have a
Set
question for
sibling
you.
index. Yeah, okay. Let's not get sidetracked.
This camera.
Yeah.
It just doesn't feel very relevant. Says here, if you really want to be down a raft over to that orangey rainy place over there, you don't see anything orangey or rainy.
You kind of do though. You see some orange in the background. Okay. Could we, like, be as cheeky to like zoom the camera all the way over here?
I don't think you can.
No. Could we like take the camera out here?
Or should we just say raft down this direction instead?
What about moving the camera all the way out here?
I don't think so, because then it makes it really disorientating.
Is it too far?
Yeah.
Can we just try
No,
it?
but what I'm trying to say is I think is well no the thing is if you move the camera so that it's a bit far away from Blue Lassie, then it is. What on earth are you doing, Unity? I'm trying to go left. Okay, there you go.
I think it's your fingers.
It's not my fingers.
Definitely your fingers.
I think it's better to almost do this instead, so it's like pointing in the right direction of where you're supposed to.
Yeah, but it can also be down the other one. You know, down there.
Oh, yeah, but that's not the right flow direction.
Well, if you walk down there and then jump through the water, you'll get there.
Fine, you can do what you want. I'm not going to interfere with Krista.
No, but I've already replaced the camera. Don't you think it?
Yeah, but I mean, like, I don't know whether that's. Yeah. Well,
Okay, should we do it more like this, for example?
Yeah, but I'm just like.
You don't like it? What if I line the view here?
No, it's what I'm not. It's just the fact that she's describing what it looks like, and it doesn't look like that.
Well, what if we made these ones orangey? That's gonna get confusing.
That's gonna get confusing. But Ryan saves the day.
Hey, I'll write you a script and DM. Ryan, this is not how we finish our game. We don't need to duplicate objects anymore. Mostly not, except these cameras occasionally. But like that's minor inconvenience. More inconvenience than putting the script in. But yeah. I think you should make that script and share it with the Game Dev Friends Club. Talking about the Game Dev Friends Club, it's an awesome Discord, which we enjoy hanging out with, made by Julia. Julia was here earlier. She's probably snoozing and losing on some sunny grass patch, I'm imagining right now.
Oh, yes.
Because her monsoon season is over. But, yeah.
I really liked her last video.
Yeah,
she's still here. She was here earlier. Yeah, just...
Maybe we shouldn't have it on this character now.
I don't think we can have it on this character without.
This character describes it quite well what you're looking for.
Yeah, I think so.
Just delete it then. Okay, but one place we know we need it is where we should put it.
Which is the meditation rock.
Yes.
Yeah, but I mean, we need to go on here and need to add
yeah, for the other one.
Here.
Good idea. Thank you for not forgetting.
I don't know where you put them.
Animation last time, because it's super logical.
Yeah.
Animation folder isn't used that much. You know, might as well throw some other things in there. Isn't that how you keep your project organized? You seem so unimpressed with me. It's okay.
I just got permanently stuck by this. Okay, let's go see then if this works.
I wasn't happy with our camera angle here. Want more Claire. That's nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Oh, Raspberry Boy. Hello, Cheval Blanc.
Hello, it's actually a little strawberry. It's a little strawberry.
It's almost raspberry, but it's a bit more strawberry, yeah. And he's actually a wild strawberry. Important distinction. You can see his roundness. Wild strawberries are small and round, just like blueberries.
Yeah.
But yeah, welcome to the Snuti stream. We're working on a game called The Life of Miss Pips, who's a little cute adventure about the strawberry who's trying to find his place in life. as you're going through the seasons, meeting very fruitful characters. Oh, I'm sorry, Strawberry Boy then. Yes, Strawberry Boy, indeed. And this game is launching in 10 days.
Yes.
The 30th of September.
Yes. Oh, I can't spell
Wholesome story. It is wholesome indeed. It's just been through its beta phase like last week. Quite a few of the beta testers are hanging out here in chat right now. And yeah, it's happening. Hello all. Hello Sundray. Welcome Sundire. Hope I'm saying it correctly.
It's this mushroom, right?
Yes.
So I'm thinking maybe if we zoom it out a bit like here, or should we...
Oh, Cheval Blanc has just released his game yesterday. Good luck with yours.
Nice.
Please link your released game so we all can, you know, congratulations. Releasing a game is so hard.
Yes,
you have done it. And Rudy.
And hello, Rudy.
Good morning. Good, actually, evening. But hope you're having a nice nighttime and you're enjoying some game dev this late Friday evening for you.
I don't know. Where should I place the camera?
Right about there, but a little bit further back. So you have the mushroom in the foreground and then...
Like that?
I have an idea.
Yeah, okay.
So for me, I would feel it most right to like do it further up like this. Something like that.
But I thought that was too much like, yeah, I guess we've done...
Because it really depends on the angle.
Yeah, that's true.
So you can align with view here.
Yeah, you can do. It's right there. Align with view. There you go.
Yeah, a bit up actually.
Yeah. Does that make it easy for you to know that that's where the meditation rock is?
Yeah, it's in the middle of the screen. And actually has a hotspot on it, right? With a little lights beaming down, right?
There's a hotspot.
Hotspot?
Might get fried there.
Watch the latest devlog. Looking forward to release.
Thank you so much, Ruby.
We have a YouTube channel for those who are just joining us here, and we just posted up a devlog yesterday announcing the release date of our game. So, yeah.
Relax and breathe in on that mossy rock over there. There you go. That's one we need. Meditation rock cat. Let's try it out.
Hook it up to the brain.
Oh shoot, I forgot that.
Burb.
Is that the only one that we need in here? Yes, I think it is. Because we say about the picnic, but that's right next to it, so it's fine. That's fine. Let's go fix some. Create asset. Ultra. There you go. Cam, meditation rock, cam. There you go. I'm gonna take a shortcut. Hello. Yeah, I think that was nice. I'll wait until Chris is here, so you can see that. And you just watch Mr. Pips is like rocking backwards and forwards as he's sitting. Where's his had enough time in the bed today? Chrissy, you're taking too long. You need to pee faster. What is everybody up to today? What are you up to right now? You're just watching Mr. Pips being weird. River down below in winter. Oh yeah, that was it. Relaxing and breathing in on a rock over there. Is that what you're doing, Ruby? Are you sitting on a rock? Or is it just the fact that I've said it wrong, written it wrong? Relax and breathe in on that mossy rock over there.
What? You have typos?
No, I don't know. Not sure. Working on scripts and trying to make this shader audio reactive.
Oh yeah.
I read radioactive and I was just like...
I need to show that off on stream.
But are you happy with the camera angle?
I think that's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was really pleasant.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
So Z, he's talking about this. I just want to show you guys. Right here. And this is in Snuti land. He's working on these shaders using Amplifier shader and Houdini. But yeah, making these audio reactive so they bounce with the music. That'd be really cool. I'm looking forward to seeing that, Z, and how it goes.
I love how we got a character called Mushy Don't Talk. I think we also have one here. Go talk to my brother in the mushroom circle, man. He might find That's when we need. Krista is not listening.
That shader looks sick. Yeah, it does.
What is up with the lighting all of a sudden? Did you see that? Yeah.
I didn't see anything strange.
It was just really overexposed.
They're a bit bright.
Oh, is it probably because you turned off the...
I don't know. They look fine.
But anyway, this little dude.
Yeah.
If you don't go and talk to them, then you can just... He tells you to go to the mushy circle.
Oh, yeah.
It's over there.
I didn't think about that.
So I just align this with you. I'm not quite happy with that, but... Sure.
Can I try?
Yeah, Chris is really like...
What?
Yeah. Can I try to die?
Like that, maybe?
Maybe. Because I don't like having it so far up there when you... Yeah, maybe there?
There?
Yeah.
So here, align with you.
Maybe the extrusion length. Time to see for me, but following along from the VODs. Have fun.
Oh, have a good night, Ruby.
Yes. Thank you
for watching our VODs. And our VODs are always uploaded to our bonus channel on YouTube. So yeah, be sure to check them out if you don't have a chance to catch the stream.
And sleep well, Ruby.
Hope you've had a lovely time this evening.
Yes. Watching us struggle with our...
Yeah, and say hi to the family if they're not snoozing and losing already. If not, just leave for breakfast tomorrow. And say hi from the old little mini pips.
Mini pips. Mushy Mish. Yeah, because Mushy Mish says... Should talk to my brother in a mushroom circle. Go talk. Mushroom circle.
Yeah, did we hook it up in the brain already?
No, well, I've done the other one, but not this one. How did we do chilling? There's a nice cabin up the steep path.
Brian, all done. Okay, thank you.
I'm losing control of the cursor all the time. Okay, can we do that, you think? Should we be doing that?
I'm just going to show off what Ryan has done. Over in the Game Dev Friends Club, he has now posted up a script, duplicate adjacency, C#. I'm going to like that, Ryan.
I like it. I like it. Thank you.
Thank you, Neil.
Tiny Human wakes up real early, so they'll say hi real soon.
Right.
Say hello to Tiny Human.
Hi, Tiny Human. We're getting our own Tiny Human very soon.
He's still compiling.
Ctrl-Shift-D while selecting a game. Okay, so you made a special shortcut for it even. Oh, that's fancy, Ryan. Good job.
Krister's somewhere else today.
Sorry, I was just reading a bug report from Gandhi, but I don't think it's something we need to worry about right now. So I'm going to mark this unread and have a look at it later. You okay?
Yes, you're very distracted today.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm adding in this camera as well.
Oh yeah, to go forward.
Yes.
That's a good idea. I think that's a nice camera angle you've chosen.
Yes, okay. And I just need to add it into the brain.
Ryan says thank you.
1, 2, 3, 6. There you go. There's a cam. Cam. I'm going to cam to cam, and then mushroom circle cam to cam, and
Oh, this is getting confusing, isn't it?
cam to mushroom circle cam.
Okay. Yeah, that seems correct. Yep, that's correct.
In the wrong order, but
Bit confusing order, but it's correct.
Skunk.
Good job.
Good job. Job done. Okay, I gotta talk. Let's just talk to him first. I should teleport again. There you go.
It kind of has to happen because don't know. A lot of players might be coming from above down here
That's true.
to meet him from the picnic area because they don't even go to the circle.
That's true. I've forgotten that.
And that camera will be very useful then. Then we go and talk to him, and he will show us the camera. Boop. And if we go talk to the other guy again, he will show a different camera.
I'm getting to it.
So our conversation have some logistics to it in terms of like depending on which character you talk to first, they will say different things and be hinting about different things if you skip different parts of the game, etc. Shroom, yes, Stevie. You can have some for dinner even.
I just love how Mr. Pips decided to fall off that rock. Just like,
what? Hey, there's a boar.
I'm not getting scared by it anymore.
Oh, seen it too many times?
Seen it too many times now.
Yeah.
Right, so that one's done. Is there anything in wintertime?
Ooh, I have an idea for something we can do. But
yeah,
no, wintertime, I don't... Maybe the one with the... No, I don't think so.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Because you meet the guy in the little cave, but it wouldn't make any sense in there.
No.
I don't think.
No, that one. I'm just wondering, do we have one on here? Oops. No, this just says bridge destroyed, which is kind of obvious.
Seems if we can find out. No, I don't think we need any cameras
I
here.
don't think we need that. I could use those ice blocks below.
It says below,
so.
It's right there.
When he sees the cabin window, no, I don't think there's any barking shrubs.
Dinner, yes, dinner.
No, I don't think we need one in winter.
Shroomtacular, yes, it's shroom. Get one right.
I think we're done.
Oh, good job, Claire.
I can't believe the strawberry is living through all 4 seasons without going bad. It's because he's so happy and enthusiastic and smiley that he doesn't get moldy.
Exactly.
So.
It's all about the positivity you bring through life, through all the seasons. You know, and his brother, he grew moldy.
Yeah.
Because he decided to stay behind and hook onto the bush and not move forward in life. So he is considered a moldy strawberry.
Yes.
So it's all about, you know, finding progress in... Why am I looking funny? Our cameras are... That is weird.
Okay. Earth was happening there. I think our
camera's back live.
There you go.
And thank you for following Brax.
Ubarex?
Ubarex?
I don't know. Did we say it right?
That one?
I can write it down.
Okay.
Okay, there you go. So you said there was something you wanted to do.
Yes. So one of our bug reports have been that you can angle the Mr. Pip's camera too low. Because earlier you managed to put it below the leaves, and I've been trying to fix it, and it's really no easy feat to fix it. And
well, I think that it might be a bad idea for us to try and fix this right now.
Why?
Considering I'm tired.
It's just changing a value.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Where is that?
In the camera movement script, because that's where we control the camera.
Where's the camera movement
of the player? Player move.
It's player move.
Player there.
Move.
And there's some degrees in there, magic numbers, you know, as we always gotta have.
Always using magic numbers.
Numbers. No variable.
Just numbers.
Okay.
Pretty much.
I can find it.
Yeah. I'll let Krista go and find it.
So, in the update camera function, I know my way around this code. Just wrote it a year ago.
I think you finished this one. Hit save, then press ESC resumes the same. Pressing ESC again shows the save splash. Haven't you fixed that?
Yeah, that's fixed. Yeah. You can take that task off.
If you save and go to the main menu, you can't load your save unless you quit the game. I don't know why.
If you save and go to the main menu, you can't load. Yes.
Save unless. Is that fixed?
We need to test it. But.
In the mood to stream when you're all done, but it's like 2 a.m.
Oh.
Oh, you're thinking about streaming, Ryan?
Ryan, that'd be so cool.
Yeah, we would like to raid you. Please stream.
Absolutely. We need more raid targets for early morning. What are you using for level design? Pro Builder or whole map made in Blender?
We're using the main Unity terrain tools.
Yes, but not for the trees, only for like the detail mesh and the terrain.
Yeah.
And then we have manually placed everything in the world in Unity using meshes built in Blender, and also a little bit of asset packs sprinkled in the trees, etc. We made like some trees ourselves, like 1 or something. I don't remember.
I think we made 2 of them, but yeah.
Yeah, 2 of them maybe.
We kind of like the ones from Quaternius, so we used them.
Yeah, we need to move forward. So Max is making us.
I should stream as well. Yes, you should also stream, Timmy.
Yeah, and
I'd love to see you streaming.
And you guys hanging out here want to start streaming, ask me questions, because you know.
Why would I ask you? Krista sucks at streaming.
Ask Claire questions because she's a pro on how to set up OBS and get.
No, he's a pro at setting up OBS.
Right.
Maybe I'll sneak downstairs into the theatre, so I'm not too loud. You should do that.
Yeah.
Yes, and then you can stream and then we can raid you, Ryan.
That's a good idea.
Do it. You must do it.
He has a secret theater. I like this. Okay.
I want to see his theater.
Wait a second. We are stopping our stream in about between 30 minutes to an hour.
Yep.
Yeah.
Probably
Around
30 minutes.
A bit more than 30 minutes. We are ending stream.
My current energy level is dipping.
Okay. Camera rotation clamp. Math F repeat. We're clamping what? How does this work? Min,
I don't
max.
remember.
Okay, it's between minus 40 degrees. Okay, what if we cutting this down to like 10 degrees?
I'm not
4:55 a.m. right now. Hey, Timmy, yeah, it's a good idea to stream on decent energy. There we go. Now you can only turn the camera 10 degrees below yourself.
Okay.
Can you? I don't know.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think so, because before you could like put your camera all the way underneath his butt.
But what if I wanted to see Mr. Bibbs's nice little red
butt? Up close? Well, Gandhi was saying we should have zoom scrolling with mouse wheel too. But, like, you don't get that on controller so easily.
Oh yeah, and we've actually made a lot of changes to it to make sure that the game works on controller.
Yes.
Pressing?
I can say, I just want to go into Autumn to test this feature.
Hello, Brainoid Games!
Hey, how are you doing today?
Hello.
Glad to have you here. Hope you're feeling brainoid today. Because we are feeling swish. Okay, Claire, look at this.
I love the fact that our bug list has actually quite a lot of bugs which have been fixed.
Well, it's hard to take everything off. This is not good.
No.
Camera should stay more above ground. Do we need to raycast down a bit more?
The thing is I'm also wondering whether that detail mesh might be a bit different to the other one.
Yeah, I think they have a bit more height on it.
Yeah, they might do. So it might be more to change that than necessarily this.
Actually, what we could do, because we're doing a raycast here, right?
Because I can change it.
I have an idea. We can also do another raycast here, straight down and move the camera up. How about that?
Say that again.
Yeah, so the camera does a raycast backwards to see if it collides into anything.
Yeah.
Like a wall, so we will move forward from that wall. We can also do a raycast straight down to see if it's hitting a ground level and move up a bit.
Could do that.
Should we try that?
We can try that. Brainoid says, not bad, couldn't sleep much, but planning on participating in the Alcajam.
Oh.
Ooh.
Fancy.
That'll be exciting. I understand, I feel with you, Brainoid. They're not sleeping much. But you can do it. You can do it.
So, we're going to cast from the camera's position. Or no, from its new position, probably. No, from its position.
I felt this was another complicated thing Chris started to.
It is absolutely a complicated thing. Max distance.
Some people do zoom levels by clicking the analog stick.
Alright.
I hadn't thought about that.
Like, oh yeah, like if you're playing and you like do that.
Yeah.
Then you switch between like 3 different presets or something. A game isn't that complicated, is it? I don't think we need it. Like,
I think that's
switch combat angle.
Hey, do we fix Jamie saying wrong text? No.
Zoom speed. Okay, yeah, zooms fast in and slow out, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is such a bad idea.
I think undo this. I think what you had originally when you had the 20 was good.
Was better.
And I think we just need to change the detail mesh.
Okay. Should I maybe do 15?
15.
It was at like 40 previously.
Because I'm pretty sure that wherever the terrain is.
Timmy says yes like that. Okay, we understood her.
That is good.
The
thing is that the detail mesh is probably a bit different.
Brainoid, were you getting too inspired to sleep, so you had to like find a jam and join? This game has complete complexity level, like hit balls to create more balls. You know, it's important to have that.
Because we've got this stuff here, max height, min
That's
height.
I think it's the one which is reddish.
Yeah, I know. I'm just having a look at them. Min height. Which one is this one? I gotta paint it on.
That one might not be used anywhere. This one sounds like a tall one, because otherwise it would be decimal value.
Yeah, but it's the same. It's the same asset. Oh, come on! I gotta try and find a place here where I can just.
Like off in the distance there.
Yeah. Okay. Let's.
Or
just
actually,
without the nav mesh showing.
Yeah, but not there.
No, it's that one. Okay. That was not the one we used.
Okay,
It's fine.
Undo's working.
Undo's
Undo doesn't
working.
always work.
Yeah, you see here, 0 and 0.2.
But this is supposed to be
1.
Yeah, okay.
Apply. There you go.
Good. Oh yeah, now they turn flatter.
Now they turn flatter. Correct, Krista.
Correct.
And this one as well, we can do the same.
Okay.
Apply. There you go. Job done. Job done. And that's all that. So now it should be better.
That don't make sense because only 22% of walking. Soon you'll be 0% of walking and you're gonna have a good night's sleep.
That's better.
Have a neck hernia. All right.
That's the main reason. But yeah, at some point I found myself thinking about the theme and game ideas.
Yeah, that's cool. Okay, that seems good now. Unless the camera isn't clipping below the grass stuff, mostly.
But I think that's because of the fact that it's actually hovering slightly here.
Yeah, I don't think it's a big issue. That tree
That's
is in
a little tree. Hello, tree. Hello.
That tree is in here.
Hello. Hello,
Feeling
Mr. Tree.
a bit airy underneath his roots, is he?
Yeah. He is indeed. He's feeling airy fairy. I mean, we have fixed a lot of these, but there's still some hover trees.
So many of them. It's switched from local to global and then center to pivot. There we go. That'll make things a little bit easier. There we go.
Stick you on the ground.
Into the ground you go.
I think I'd take it. I realise there's quite a lot of actual
Game breaking bugs.
no bugs that you haven't actually ticked off.
Okay, let's go take a ticket then.
Tiki. So we can go through it.
And if anybody's hanging out here for the first time, please let us know. We'll give you a round of introduction to what on earth we're working on, what the life of Mr. Pips is, and how wonderful.
I mean, we can just show off the trailer as well.
Yeah, we'll show off the trailer.
If you save and go to the main menu, you can't load your save unless you quit the game.
Okay.
That one we haven't fixed.
We can fix that one. Claire doesn't want to.
No. All mini pips in the Winter Cave just disappear and have mesh not built there.
Yeah, we need to investigate that.
Big characters have it so far just outside the screen.
That's fixed.
That's fixed. See, I told you it was fixed.
Jammy
says you're instead of I.
Zager. Great. Great. I'm trying to figure this out. And Dark Diamond Sight. All right.
Where is trailer?
Welcome to the Snuti stream. We are working on the Life of Miss Pips, a cute little adventure game about a strawberry. Oops, I'm clicking all the wrong buttons.
He's trying to find his place in life.
He's trying to find his place in life.
So
and here's the trailer.
In a very fruitful world, a strawberry tossed from his bush. His family scattered. Traveling through the seasons. To find his purpose in life. The Life of Mr. Pips. A cute little adventure game. Coming autumn 2020.
And this game is launching in 10 days at itch.io. So yeah, head on over to itch and hit follow on the project, or if you're waiting a couple of days, and you can also just hit the buy button. Because it's happening, it's actually launching. Thank you so much, just glad you enjoy it. It's a very wholesome little story about the little strawberry, so you can get to enjoy, rafting and a bit of talking with other berries, and yeah. It's a short game, which has a lot of character in its shortness.
Yes.
I
fixed that text bug.
The 1 year?
Yeah.
Okay, so now Jammy has correct English.
No, actually it was Mr. Pips. Mr. Pips didn't have good English.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was Mr. Pips. He was to blame.
Let's get our beta testers caught that. Okay, we have a task ticked off. I think this calls for a party.
This is a bit flippy.
Yes.
It's cut too short. There needs to be more party.
You want more party?
More party.
I was thinking the same, Clan.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, let's go back to the laptop.
Heading over here. I've ticked off this task. One of the blueberries, can't remember exactly, had a weird cutoff point in the dialogue for the second interaction.
Well, since it's after Jammy, there's only one blueberry.
Yes. Well, I don't think she has a weird cutoff point. Is there any breaks there? No. It says thank you.
So let's go see.
Let's go talk to her.
Let's go talk to her.
Let's find this wholesome conversation. Yes, party boy. I'm loving the fangirling, Timmy. Absolutely love it. Thank you so much.
Oh, dear.
Excuse me, how sweet. Are you from the strawberry bush over there? Maybe. I am. Okay. Oh dear.
I see a multi-strawberry hanging on the bush. Have you tried talking to him? Oh, I must have missed him. Thank you. Hope to speak again soon.
See ya.
I talked to her again. Have you tried talking to him? Oh, I must have missed him. Thank you. Hope to speak with you again soon. Okay. See. Okay, that's not a weird cough point.
That seems okay.
Let's go spam Jammy. Jammy.
Jammy spam.
Jammy spam.
We're just trying to, also for those who just come in here, we're trying to tick off all the bugs for our game, so we're launch ready.
Launch ready.
Launch ready, yeah.
We made a feature there. That was the camera thing.
That was the camera thing.
Hi, sweetie. I noticed you joined in a multi-strawberry over there. Yeah, I know. I just spoke to you.
He's
Hey, that's me. He's my brother. But I can't find my other
yeah.
sibling. I did see a boar snacking on your bush, and so some of your siblings being knocked away. Do you know where they went? Hammer, my dear. Once you flew in the bush, you have to find your own place. Perhaps one of the dashing raptor berries further along this path can show you how. That sounds like a good idea. I'll come there. Aw, you're such an adorable little berry. I wish you all the best. Thank you.
So again.
I haven't, my dear.
I think that all works.
I'm not sure about that bug.
I'm gonna take that bug off. I don't see the problem. One of the blueberries after Jammy had a weird cutoff point, unless it's the one at the beginning of spring.
That it could be. Have you made the character designs and the visuals by yourself?
Yes.
Yes, we have.
I mean,
these are the characters. All the characters are made by us.
Character in the world, but
the trees.
There's some tree assets, etc., some bushes, etc., which is from asset packs. But mostly, yeah.
Mostly all of ours.
Yes.
No, I don't think it's him. Let's try this lady.
Our initial goal, actually, when we started the game, was to make everything ourselves.
But that was a bit too
but it was like we need to finish the game as well. So we're like, okay, then we can have a mix of some asset packs in there, but mostly just a bit of foliage.
I'm not seeing the weird cop.
I think in the beginning of summer.
Oh, beginning of summer.
That's what I was suggesting.
Oh.
Because it says in the report there after jamming.
After jamming, okay. So maybe we're in the wrong area.
I like the very specific bug report. Now we're hunting it down.
Hunter for bugs.
And welcome, Mr. Megagix. Hope you're doing well today. If anybody else is working on any cool and inspiring projects, please let us know in chat. You're welcome to throw in your Twitter links, etc., and we will have a look at what cool stuff you're working on. Have a nice day now. I think that's all fine.
And thank you for the follow extra
Bill.
Extra bill.
All the billing.
I'm not sure what.
I think this is fine.
Okay.
Okay, should we head over to next task?
Yes.
Era triggered speech bubble. Sometimes didn't stay. Okay, we fixed this because we now increase it from 3 seconds to 5.
Yeah.
They all seem to be anchored to the top of Miss Pip, so when rolling around, flying all over the place, it was impossible to read it. I think increasing the time like we did is the best solution to that.
Yes.
And
thank you for the follow, ZA8GR8. I'm gonna say that.
Yeah. And we have redeemed Doggo Cuddles. Yes. How's it going, Ryan? Are you getting your stream set up? I'm gonna be
followed because of cat cam. It's dog cam.
Winky's feeling a weeny bit insulted.
Winky is a little chihuahua.
What do you mean? I'm a kitty cat. Winky stopped working.
I don't know, Mimi. What can you possibly be?
Did Winky turn into a gnome?
Winky turned into a gnome today. She's cool, kind of like witty and kind of intelligent if you set the word up.
This is a little doggos.
I'm fetching more doggos for Doggo Cuddles.
More doggos.
Switch to Doggo Cam.
Oh yeah, I haven't done that yet. Oops.
Whoops.
Doggo cam. There you go. Doggo cam.
Hey.
Morris has actually been in the cam quite a lot today, upside down, enjoying himself. But he likes to migrate to other places.
He was retrieved. He's in golden retriever today.
Oh yeah. I want to make a tower defense game for mobile. Where do you recommend me to start if I have no experience?
Oh, we know exactly where to start because they even have a tower defense game in the course.
Yes, when we started learning game dev, we learned it from Game Dev TV, and they have some really, really good courses, and we are affiliated with them. So if you're interested in a course from them, you can find our link here.
And if you're using our link, you'll be supporting our channel, and you'll get 85% off your first order. I think actually those courses are worth it on full price even, in my opinion. I really enjoyed them. It was a great way to kickstart our game dev and like learn all the different aspects of game dev.
Yeah.
So highly recommend. It's very good, structured.
And you also have a tower defense game in there as well, so you can learn that. So
we really appreciate that.
LearnUnity.com is the best place to start, says Sundari.
That is true.
Yep.
So I mean, different people prefer different things. We want to get started really quickly and get going and stay on track, so that's supposed to be really good for us.
Cat cam. I'm like, too tired to pet my cats, I prefer redeeming duck cuddles.
Who wrote that? Who wrote that?
The freaking.
Oh. The tower defense course is in the Unity 3D Complete.
Yes.
I can actually show it up here right now on my laptop if it loads there. So if you are getting this one, C#, no, not this one.
There's the 3D one, isn't it?
The 3D one.
3D one.
This one. Complete C# Unity Game Developer 3D online course. It goes through quite a few different games, including one of them is a tower defense game.
Yes.
So, yeah, I think that's really good value here. And they do A-star pathfinding, so you'll write that from scratch and get really good insight into how to do the pathfinding there. So I don't know if this one shows off the different games they do. I already have the full curriculum. And one of the things further down here, when you go through the whole list, you'll find tower defense as well.
To be honest, I really don't blame, ZA8 Great. I don't know why I'm saying that right. That you thought that Winky was a cat because she does act like a cat.
Yes, and she's tinier than a cat.
She's tinier than a cat, actually.
So we don't blame you.
Yeah.
So yeah,
we have cats staring at her multiple times. It's like, this looks like nibbles. I'm like, oh, don't it my chihuahua, don't it my chihuahua.
Why is this cat wagging her tail?
Yeah. Oh.
That tail goes like a whippersnapper sometimes.
Yeah. She's so happy.
Yeah.
The tower defense is not in the offer though.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Absolutely. Realm Rush, as I was trying to show off right here, is part of in the course, but it's one of the later sections because the course will take you through that entire game dev. I would recommend like doing it from scratch, but you can also jump in here. This is section 5, but I think that it's really valuable to do this from the start. Yeah, as I said, it's their 3D one, which it does that.
And hello, Sinatra!
Hey!
Hello.
By the way, if you have any questions about it, you can welcome to head over to our Discord, Snutiland, and you can ask me any question you want, and I'm happy to help out.
I'm good at tech, bad at art. Any suggestions?
Practice. Yeah.
Basically, practice.
It just takes a lot of time, like any skill in life, and it's worth it. Yeah, we're doing tasks.
It's definitely worth it.
Was that a good enough advice?
I think that was like good.
It is actually though.
I mean, like, yeah, it just takes practice.
And don't be afraid of trying things you have no clue what you're doing. Like Nick, if you're still hanging out there, Nick, you didn't even know how to do any vectoring or open any graphical program, and he was like, I don't know how to make a button even in 2D.
Yeah.
And then Z was sitting here like deconstructing the pieces of the vector with him, and then suddenly he had made a button, like a physical, like big red, like atomic button.
Yeah, a big red button that's basically do not press type of button.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he'd drawn that, and he'd never touched anything like that in his life because he's the C# man.
So you can do it.
You can do it. Just start small.
Start small. Start from the strawberry first.
And always keep going because you'll practice and figure
I ticked off the 2 tasks above because we've been doing them.
Camera below ground. Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, and also the side
Can
areas.
jump on
yeah.
the wall. Not sure there's bugs. This is now intentional.
Yeah, okay.
This is done.
Done that. Oh, we haven't got the... Sorry.
Whoops.
Couldn't move out to find the strand. Yes, that one I found the other day, and I don't know
Could
whether I
not
fixed
move
it.
the player, but could move the camera around.
See, it's this one. It's this rock right here. Hello, suspect rock.
Okay.
So I'm thinking like maybe we just like move it in.
Yeah, it felt a bit badly positioned, didn't it?
To be honest, I didn't like it anyway, but...
You can, I think, move it further to the right. Like maybe over to those all the pebbles there. Yeah.
Let's do that. Move it to the
A
other
bit
levels.
bit further into the terrain.
Further into
Yeah,
the
like
front.
that.
Yeah, like that, yeah. There you go.
That feels better.
I think we fixed it now.
Fixed.
Can you get stuck there? That is a question.
But I mean, why was the player stuck in this scenario?
I don't know. I'm not entirely sure why.
After alt-tabbing a couple of times, hitting the jump button, and moving forward worked
They managed
to get free.
unstuck. I'm just gonna,
That is strange.
there you go. I'm just going to have
Okay,
one.
I'm gonna tick that off because I don't see how the player could be stuck here other than that rock. But anyway, since we're working right here, Gandhi showed me the other day a place he got stuck, which was right here.
Oh, yeah.
He got in a jam, I think, there.
Oh.
I've been in a jam there myself a couple of times, so it takes a bit of wiggling.
We don't want a strawberry jam.
Takes a bit of wiggling and you can get out. I think if we do this, it's much better.
Should we test it?
I'm going to double check the screenshot they sent me.
Long time no see. All right, thanks, lovely couple. How hard is it to become a couple like you?
Ah!
I don't know. I don't know.
It takes a lifetime, is that what you say? No, we've been up together for like 9 years.
Yeah, 9 years, almost 10. 10 February next year.
And to be honest, like, our relationship has been like always evolving in a way. Like,
Yes. We're now moldy.
I mean, it improves like a good wine.
It matures like a good wine. That's it. That's the phrase,
Wow.
isn't it?
Yes, I think so. That phrase is what I was looking for.
That phrase. I do have the link to the Trello right there, by the way. But yeah,
Where?
in the Discord.
In the Notion. Okay, because that's what
I
I'm
can't
looking
write.
for. There.
There you go.
There, the Trello. Yes, because you can see here, Gandhi posted this picture. No, this is elsewhere.
This is elsewhere.
Oh, I see it now. Okay, but I fixed that one as well.
Yeah.
I see. I don't have it up.
I think the screen that I'll send you was in another position. Yeah.
You are indeed right.
Yes, you are.
Could we double check? Because it looks like it's over here.
Yeah.
Is it?
You can see the beach in the background.
Is it this?
That is it. That is it, right? Yeah, that's it. This is a bit of a different camera angle.
This rock.
Thank you, Gandhi, for finding all these really weird, stuck positions.
Yeah, it really sucks to get stuck in the game because you don't have that many ways to get out.
Nope.
I think this is safe now. Still, things get stuck here, so I'm going to rotate this one ever so slightly.
But yeah, that's where the thingy-majiggies keep going all the time, isn't it?
Just going to do that, and then move a bit further in. Where did I also see things get stuck the
You
other
try
day?
slamming your head against the keyboard in a playtest?
No.
Nope.
I'm not sure if we need the head in order to push all the buttons.
No.
I think we could try
You just need
that.
lots and lots of strawberries. Just place them all over and it works.
Just like roll them on the keyboard. That could work in a less violent way.
Why are we training our fencing skills?
I don't know. I just want to play the games, watch the rafters go around for a little bit and see if any of them are getting stuck. If we just place the camera here and just like sitting and...
Hello, I'm stuck here.
He
really doesn't like that area.
I mean, he's getting past it.
He's getting past it. He's just like, I'm not entirely sure.
Why is he so...
What is up with you, mate?
Why does he drive like that? Does he seriously drive that way?
He's drunk.
It seems like his configuration is a bit off.
What is up?
We need to chase this guy. He is the worst.
I think he's drunk leaf rafting.
It's fine. Should we have a leaf rafter at that, or should we improve his settings a little bit? Okay, they are having a whale of a time.
What is he up to?
Okay, they managed to get loose. I'm going to look at the other guys now, see if they all coming through here well.
You got stuck because there's no flat platform, so you can't jump. Yeah, that's true. I thought we made lots of fixes for that.
Yeah, if you are standing still with a character, you should be able to get loose for the most part. Okay, I think...
Is that a drunk driver? He's... Oh my gosh, What is up with him?
Okay, so the reason why this is happening is that every rafter in the game have tweaked. Well, I can't look at my cursor. Has tweaked their movement script. And this guy apparently is
He's drunk.
You can see he doesn't have a very far look forward, so he often drives sideways.
Yeah.
That's one of the configurations you can do. Where on earth is he now? I can't seem to find him.
Just pressing the forward key to move on the edges to try the extreme bugs. Don't drink and raft, kids.
Oh, sorry, I was still here. I'm sorry, guys. You should mention it. Characters, here we go.
By the way, here in summer you can go on the right instead of the left. Oh, you mean down the river?
Actually, I can't seem to find him in the hierarchy. Where is this guy? There we go.
There he is. River current is not strong like the winter one.
No, that is intentional.
Yep.
The winter one has a much stronger current.
That's because we only want you to go one way because there's no, there's no loop-de-loop.
Okay, so you can see here, the NPC settings here has an NPC look ahead of 0.1. If you look at, for example, the other rafters, they have a look ahead of 2.
So that's why he's drunk.
Yeah, so he's trying to follow the path, but he's looking very little at. You can do 0.5 and see if he gets like a little bit better.
That's a bit better.
That made a big difference for him. I do want him slightly drunk, so maybe 0.2.
Okay. This is a family-friendly game. Let's just make one of our blueberries slightly drunk.
Yeah, I think 0.2.
That's not really a family-friendly game neither, I don't. Is it? I don't know.
Isn't that okay?
Yeah, I mean, he's a bit wishy-washy, but it's fine. Is he going to get stuck now? Yeah, I think this is fine.
Yeah, okay, so we're going to change his value to 0.2.
Oh, if only you could talk to them on the blueberries.
Yes, perfect. We can take this task off then.
Did we fix that stuck bug? Have we even tried to go there?
No, but it's fixed.
Until Gandhi tests it again.
I got stuck here. I'm gonna move this card. So, very awesome. Gandhi made his own personal Trello. Why can't I move it? To list all the bugs he found. And gave me access. Oh yeah, I'm not logged in, that's why I can't edit anything.
I'm supposed to...
You're trying to trigger this Easter egg.
No.
And thank you for following Scott Maker's Game.
Scott Makes Games.
Hope you're doing well this morning. Do you stream as well? I'd love to see more game dev streamers. Well, at least early Saturday morning. Hopefully Ryan is getting live now so you can raid him.
There you go. Job done.
Yay! All the little balls. And Claire, I'm gonna take this task off. Dun, 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 dun.
Well, I mean, I'm actually going to test it out. That's what I was going to do.
Oh yeah, you got a bit sidetracked.
I got a bit sidetracked because I teleported too far. And
Scott Makes Games, sometimes streams, but not often. Okay.
but I think it's too much like bounce.
Claire.
Yeah.
Yeah, we wanted to improve the camera here.
Oh yeah, that's true.
I don't think we've written task for that.
I think it's in the if we have extra time. I mean, Gandhi is like super pro at jumping at stuff, and I'm not. I don't seem to get up at now.
There we go.
Okay.
Yeah, you
I
fall
just
back
fall
down.
off.
You don't get stuck.
We don't get stuck anymore.
It's good.
It's 6:30 p.m. for me on a Saturday. This looks cool. Thank you.
Hey!
You have a great voice. Do you sing or voice act? You actually can and would be lovely. Thank you. No, I don't sing. I'm atrocious at singing. Please don't ask me to sing.
I think you're a lovely singer.
I cannot sing. To
always
save my life.
praise your singing voice.
But I do all of the voice acting for the game.
Yes.
But I haven't tried to do it professionally. No.
Well, this is professional.
It's professional.
Oh yeah.
This is all my wheeze and hello.
Our little resale rafter guys.
Both six finished.
Both six finished.
Yoink. I forgot we put the yoink in last time.
Yeah.
But thank you so much, Sinatra. That's really nice to hear. Right, we fixed another bug.
Claire's confidence level is increased this much. Thank you, Sinatra.
I'm not very good with confidence.
Yeah. And nice having you back on the stream again as well.
So, wait, there's a way to spawn More balloons?
Hey! See, there's more Easter eggs in this game.
We've added more Easter eggs in because you guys requested it. So yeah, Gandhi, it's happening.
If you... I'll tell you this one. If you kick the ball 10 times, any of those... There's only one ball in the game. You can spawn more balls. But any of the 10 balls which spawn, or 25 balls which spawn, you can kick one of them 10 times as well, and it will do it more. And you can just end up with hundreds and thousands of balls in the level. Your computer will crash and burn, and FPS will drop, etc. But that's the player's choice.
That is the player's choice. It's your fault if you do it.
Not the bug.
Player discretion advised.
Yes, exactly. Claire, sing.
No.
I don't think you're gonna. Well, talking about singing.
You're going to talk about the rap.
I'm going to talk about the rap. Because Tantan is celebrating, as I said earlier in today's stream, 1,000 subs on YouTube. And he's actually on the same number as us, 1.23. Exactly, we're also on 1.23 as well. And he's got his next video coming up, like probably today or later or something, is going to be a collaboration video, and we are having a little Snuti rap in there, which is absolutely atrocious. Like, we have never made a rap in our life, and I'm the worst rapper apparently, because
Chris was like, I'm just going to rap on Trip, and every now I was just like, no, don't keep rapping, please don't keep rapping. No, stop rapping.
Yeah. I'm going to link Tantan in the...
So if your computer is on fire, the FPS drops.
Yes,
it does.
That's indeed.
It's also advised to leave the computer and run away as fast as possible.
Maybe unplug the power, get fire extinguisher. One of those. It
depends on the extremity of the fire, but please do not risk your life. See. Okay, this can be game breaking. Time to find some war clip.
Whatever bug you find with this, Gandhi, it's fine, right? It's fine.
Ryan says, "Oh no, lol." Is this about the rap?
Also, anything like that in the world, if you hit save the game and then load it, it's gonna be no longer there.
Yeah.
We do not save the state of the balls or the raps and things like that, and that's intentional. We're not going to save the state of them. So,
okay, so we fixed that. Fixed that. What else have we got fixed?
This fruitful little pip is going to ship. It's been taking a while, but it's ready to make you smile. There's like more lyrics in there. There was this really good lyrics.
Cringe. Is there anything else we can fix? I've already done the rafting camera less wobble. I think I've written that somewhere else.
Okay, but we have it twice then. Make Mr. Pips more red.
Yeah, but we've worked through these. I think we've got more down here.
Can't read the dialogue text while rolling down. Yeah, okay, this is something we have improved. Didn't realize jumping in the camera. Okay. I'm not sure if this is something we're going to fix or not.
I'm not sure.
And this is also between every level.
Yeah.
But the thing is did one beta tester mention this or two? The game is so short. Right? You can just play again.
Yeah.
I'm not sure, like...
I'm not entirely sure neither. Like,
I need to find this rap now. The rap is going to be published maybe later today, or I don't know. Tantan said it was going to be live yesterday, but
if Tantan you're watching, people want to see your video.
Yeah, Tantan, we're waiting for you. The next video is coming out. Hit sub on that channel. Get him past 1K. He's making some really funny videos though.
I do like.
I mean, he's top quality comedy. I think Tantan is going to rise through the YouTube algorithm like.
He's going to be the was it the Swedish Danny?
It's the Swedish Danny. We have Danny in Norway and then we have Tantan in Sweden.
Yeah, Chris just thought Tantan was Norwegian originally.
You know, it just happened.
But I've been requesting a commit rap forever, and then you make a shipping rap. well, we do have the it's not working.
It's not working.
Okay, commit your work already.
So we can replicate it. Okay.
Pretty much, yeah. But it's not really a rap. It's more of a emote thingy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Z. I'm sorry, Z. Well, then you can probably get Crystal will be so happy to write the rap, and we should work on that.
So
your about section, I can't read that anymore because Chris is
sorry.
Your about section below the stream is really on point, guys.
Oh, thank you. Glad you like that.
Maybe you put it on loop and Krista does some beatboxing in the background. Krista doesn't do very good beatboxing, I'm sorry.
Quit your work already.
Yeah, when we sent our rap to Tantan, he was like, I think I need to edit this a little bit. And I just we had beatboxing. Boo, tss, boo, tss, boo.
It was really
and that's
bad.
all we had.
That's all we had. We were really bad.
So he went and spiced it up a little bit because
especially your section.
Especially my section. It was terrible.
And thank you for the follow, Martin.
Hey, thank you, Martin. Yep. Okay, we hooked up the community work.
So did we decide that we didn't want to do that one?
I don't know.
Flying trees on the ramp before the picnic autumn. Have I fixed all of that?
Got a little seasick from rafting. Okay, that's something we all noted down now.
We've been taking off a lot of tasks now all of a sudden.
What's from?
See, we can launch tomorrow. Let's have a look here.
Maybe that's the one we fixed.
It was on the raft.
On the ramp.
The ramp. Oh, I can't talk.
Sorry, I need to switch to the desktop. Sorry, guys.
You're not. Are you hovering? Are you hovering?
I think it was the one we caught.
No, that's not on the ramp. I need better light in here. There you go. See?
Can I? Because if you switch the camera angle the other way, it's much easier to see. You see?
Oh yeah. Okay.
The lighting follow when you turn this one off.
Yeah,
the lighting follows the orientation of the camera.
Okay, that's still hovering.
Is it? Yeah, that's still hovering a little bit. I think that's better.
That's
now.
better.
And probably this.
This one is.
Oh wow.
Hovering.
Yeah.
That was proper hovering.
Okay.
It's a proper hover tree.
And
hover
these
tree.
ones are properly into the ground. Yes, Claire. There's a log there. I never noticed this log really.
I put it in there.
When do you put it?
Claire, let's say one day I made a game, would you voice act?
Yeah, sounds like fun.
I might do, yeah.
Yeah.
It depends if I have a fun role. And if I have to make loads of
how many lines?
How many lines?
Right.
Is that one? That one looks fine. I think
Yeah, we have absolutely concluded that I'm not material for any voice acting, other than if you wanted something
unless you
sounding
want a
like.
mushy room.
Unless you want something to sound like Krister, because I can't make anything other than my own voice.
Oh no, Christy, you're good.
What apps are you using for the devlog? You're talking about
the devlog.
This.
That's Notion.
That's Notion.
That's Notion.
I'll link it in chat.
Everyone loves Notion.
I think it's Notion.cc. I didn't check that URL.
I think it's Notion.cc. I have no idea anymore.
As we've been saying on the stream, we should be affiliated with them as well because we keep plugging them.
I use Notion and Trello too.
Notion.so. Okay.
So not CC, yes.
Okay, I'm so sorry. The link I sent was wrong.
Thank you, Scott Makes Games, for correcting that.
On point. Yeah.
So it's a bit overwhelming from time to time. Trello is simpler,
but it's so much more powerful.
So much more powerful.
Yeah, but also it has the simplicity when you need it.
Fixed hover trees. Who can write that?
Yeah. I'm taking the task
Fixed hover trees.
Laptop. Flying trees and ramp before picnic autumn.
What's that red thing? The red thing. I think the red thing is this is our little dialogue boxes.
Oh yeah, that's a trigger
boxes.
For monologue when the character starts talking.
So you don't see it in game because I can probably actually just not maximize, but on start they just disappear.
Yeah. So they have a start script to just hide their mesh renderer. Yeah. So they disappear.
And the little green things, they're invisible walls.
Yeah, because we need to keep you guys contained.
We need to keep you contained. There you go. And this is the level trigger. So it's all colors. Colors. You like colors?
Okay. So actually, one thing we can fix right here is awesome. Trigger the boar in the autumn while climbing the ledge after the picnic. So I never actually saw it. Maybe make the trigger a bit smaller. Yes. Okay.
Oops.
You see that one there?
Yeah.
Maybe move it so it doesn't go there. So it's a bit more there. Yeah. I think that's fine.
That's probably better.
So you can walk past.
You can still, you can walk past it if you want to, but just like.
Okay, I have an idea. Because I think you have to trigger it at some point, which is the point here, isn't it?
That's true, yeah.
So I think we should do that. Or you can still get past because you can get up there. I mean, if you miss it, is it a biggie?
No, it isn't a biggie.
Right,
but you'll miss the best party boar.
Miss the party boar. The party boar.
The party boar. The level design is amazing. Nice work. Thank you so much, Martin.
Thank you.
Trello makes me mad that you can't delete stuff, but you only can archive. You can delete stuff, Candy, but you need to double click it.
Really?
So
I've been struggling with that as well.
Oh, really? Okay. Because you can, when you click on archive, you can click it again after that, and then you can delete. So if you click archive,
Okay.
let's make a note.
Test. Archive.
Oh, yeah, no, if you click on the card itself.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Test 2.
yeah, press enter. And if you click on it, click on the card.
Click on the card. Oh.
And you press archive down the bottom, down there. Then you can press delete, but you have to go on it.
Okay.
So there you go. That's how you do it.
Okay. There's no undo.
There's no undo.
Let me know.
So that is how you do it. You don't just click the little like cover card.
All the tips and tricks here at Snuti HQ's awesome game dev stream.
There's
and thank you for following Moritz? No,
Morphiz.
Morphiz.
Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you for follow.
Moritz is very happy to have you here, Morphiz.
There is a plugin to make it so you can just delete cards with one step too. Oh, I didn't know that.
Well, I bet so. Well, hello there, Bizmaster Studios.
Hello.
Welcome our very important pun master.
Very important pun master.
You know, I was working on puns last night. I've been trying.
Oh yes.
Okay, so if I write exclamation, okay, for anyone joining up here, merch. We got merch.
We got merch.
And
thank you for the follow, Void Sarah.
thank you.
And Gandhi says, thanks, Claire.
So take a look at this. Check this out. We got our own pit mug. And I was trying to come up with good puns yesterday, but I didn't come up with that.
You should
great
have just
puns.
sent a message to Bizmaster.
I should have asked Bismarck. A very nice day mug, and you're very cute. And then you also have
What is it like?
just emoji mugs without any text. So you can decide if your mug wants just emoji, or if you want some text on it too.
Yeah.
And they're really nice quality. So if you want to support us, then head on over to our merch store and.
I mean, we do also have on the back of the dogs the stickers, but we weren't very satisfied with the quality of them.
So we're not selling them. Yeah.
We're not selling. We're gonna try get them done locally here instead, because we've had some stickers printed before and they were a lot nicer.
Yeah, some cute mugs on your mug. Yes. I guess that
and
could be a pun.
Good morning, Frozen Well.
Hey, how's things? Things are very well here.
Good, yes.
We are, and also everyone hanging out there, have announced Mr. Pips is launching on the 30th of September. So yeah, that's happening on itch.io.
There you go.
Yes.
I found the page.
So that's big news. And that's in like 10 days
10 days.
to launch, and we're still here sitting fixing bugs and
Well, we
implementing
managed to
things.
fix quite a lot of them now.
Yay!
I think we fixed the boar.
Yeah.
Did we fix the boar? Did we fix the boar? Yeah, we fixed the boar. Ish. Find the boar. I think we fixed boar. Fix boar. Fix boar trigger. I'm going to fix that credit bug another day because I need to add more people to the credits.
Okay.
So
I was just checking if Ryan was online, but he's not online yet.
And Frozen Will's loving the haircuts.
Hey, thank you.
It's short now.
All the good stuff.
Ooh, you're really into this. Wow. I hope fixing the ball wasn't boring.
Hey. It was quite alright, I tell you. Quite alright.
Not streaming yet. I didn't realise I was supposed to.
If you want to,
If
Ryan.
you want to, Ryan. It's up to you.
If
It's
not,
completely up to you.
you're welcome to shout out anyone you think we should be rating this morning. You know, preferably maybe a game dev. Maybe has a mic, maybe has a camera, maybe he's working on something interesting, or maybe there's an art stream that you think we should be checking out. So if not, we will head on over to
Or
Ryan.
a strawberry stream.
Or definitely strawberry
Somebody
streams.
eating strawberry stream. They're not allowed to do that. I think we fixed the tweak the rafters getting stuck in summer.
Yeah.
Have you done these 2 tweaks?
That's the one I missed.
This one?
Yes,
I'll do that.
that one I missed.
Where is Moritz? He is on the carpet behind us.
Okay.
If Krista moves, he'll be able to see.
Really?
I think. I'm not sure whether he's. No, he's not.
There's some toots.
There you go. There you go. He's right there.
You can see some doggy toots there.
There you dudes.
Okay, so yeah.
Ryan was like, I'm planning on it, but the setup is like, yike.
Yeah, okay, it's not fast to set up. So if it's your first time, Ryan, I can help you with that probably another time. Not in the middle of the night for you, maybe?
Yeah.
And maybe
preferably.
next Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Can I be your intern? We already have a little intern, which is
we're brewing our own intern in here. But thank you for asking. I don't think there will be any interning here at Snuti HQ anytime soon because we'll be ready to become parents.
Yes. We're going to be busy.
We've got our firstborn due 8th of October. Not long.
Yep.
We just have to launch.
We might have maybe 2 streams.
2 more.
So we have to take a break.
Yeah. So yeah,
No, I'm telling baby he has to wait until October.
these mugs are limited time.
Yes.
We will take them off the shop in I don't know, a couple of weeks. So be sure to grab yours if you're keen on having some Pitfall mugs.
They have one internally.
Bizmaster.
Oh, we love you, Bizmaster, for your puns. Oh.
Yes. Call the
Brian
puns.
says it's 3rd time, but I'm working on it.
Okay. Understand.
Aw, kitty.
Just let me know, Ryan, if you're up for it or not, and we will see how it goes.
Do you want to fix those so we can
summer.
save?
Yes, I just want to head on over to summer. So the one we're looking for is that.
Oh, whoa.
Wait, where did I go?
Okay, you went wrong way.
This
It's
way.
over this one, isn't it?
I think it's
that one.
It's this one here.
It's
Yeah,
that one.
because that little blueberry, he gets stuck here.
That's not good.
And that's not good, no. So we just turn this a bit, move it in.
Ooh, we have good noms today.
What noms do we have?
Chicken kuma.
Ooh, I like that.
Leftovers. I'll take this off then.
So,
Oops.
think that's looking a bit better now. So many tiny things to, like, million small tasks to fix when you're trying to ship a game.
Yum yum.
We also have the issue of this. The mushy rock is too hard to get onto. But I'm gonna look at that another
We're
time.
gonna look at it another time.
I'm done.
We're done.
I'm spent.
Spent.
Yes.
Fixed.
But honestly, guys, would anybody be interested in buying some stickers which is sent from our mailbox? You know, if we were to put them up on Etsy shop or something,
Yeah, I think it would be put on
Yeah.
Etsy, I think.
like locally produced ones, and I will like send it to your mailbox. You just give me your shipping address, and I'll like actually manually send it.
Ship.
Like little, I think it's gonna be like a little sticker pack where you have like multiple little things on it.
Yeah,
So,
one
like,
sheet, yeah.
a sheet. So be some Miss Pips merch.
And thank you for the follow. Veracity? They get that.
Yeah, thank you.
Spent like a used coupon.
Yeah,
Mail? We can be pen pals!
Yes, indeed.
Yes.
Should I do a
Snail mail.
poll on it?
Yeah, we should have sticker back. What did I just fix? Fix rafters. Got unstuck. Mm.
10 out of 10, very promote, much buy. Thank you.
Thank you. We've been streaming almost until 11 today. And the mugs are reusable.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yes. And they're cute.
And they're really nice quality.
They
like
are
this is some thick
It's just
stuff.
it's just a bit like smaller than my mug, so you fit a little bit less tea in it. That's the only problem. But that
Hey, I
depends.
started a poll, and I understand if you're hesitant about voting, but I'm going to be voting because I would have one, so I'm off voting.
Wait.
And I had an option for.
Then we can have Winky and Maria stickers as well on it.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Because I really want to make a large, like this size sheet with like multiple stickers, so you can have your all the different emojis we got. So
Type number in the chat to vote.
yes, 1, 2, or 3. Bizmaster types exclamation mark is that excited. He's up for it too. That's good. I think I'm gonna make it as cheap as possible. So
Yeah. Unos, dos, tres.
that's good. One. Yeah, we have our hype here. That's good, guys. Are we done with our task for today?
We are indeed.
The vote is clear. We have officially concluded for the sticker pack.
Yes.
I know it's going to be pretty limited edition. It's going to be super duper exclusive.
It's gonna be awesome.
The first option has 1. Yes, the first option has 1. 26. I don't think that was an option.
No, it wasn't an option.
But thank you for contributing.
Unless you wanted 26 sticker packs.
No, maybe that, yeah. 26 times 1. Yeah.
2.
That's all right.
1. Oh, everyone's voting now. That was 26 times 1.
Okay. Bit late, Gandhi. Bit late. Should we be checking out how to end our stream today? So
is Ryan streaming? Is Ryan streaming?
That's what I'm checking out.
Is Ryan streaming? Is Ryan streaming?
He is indeed live. Look at this.
He's streaming. He's streaming. So you know who we're going to do today. We're going to be raiding. Ryan is so cool because he's cool. No, he's like so cool.
He likes so cool.
He's just cool.
Yep.
Gandhi said he was away. It's okay. It's okay, Gandhi. It's okay. Who's this Ryan guy? He's the cool guy.
Okay, anyone hanging out here today? I think we can move over to the credits today. So, we are hanging out in Snuti land. So come and join our Discord if you want to hang out with us more. And be checking out our latest YouTube video because we just posted up our latest devlog. So
with the release date for Mr. Pips?
Yeah, and Miss Pips is launching 30th of September and on itch.store. So I'm just posting all the links. So yeah, find out on itch link. And if you want to check out Ryan, etc., he's a mob in the Game Dev Friends Club, which is the last one I linked now. I just posted all the links.
There you go, all links.
Yeah, and thank you for all our new followers today. That's a huge list.
Thank you so much for following, guys.
Hope
you're all very cute.
Yeah.
I appreciate that.
You're very cute. Thank you for hanging out with our new berry mug. And Mike says, thank you for today. It's been a good stream, guys.
It's been a good stream, yes.
And we're excited to launch Miss Pips. It's going to be like one more stream until we launch.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, so next stream is the last stream before launch. That's crazy. Yeah, because the next is 26th of September. And then we're going to launch the 30th. Oh. Uh-oh. Thank you so much, everyone who's been here with us this morning. Yes. It's been amazing. Let's head over and raid Ryan.
I haven't. Chris is not even let me finish here. I mean, I don't get a second to say. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining us, for following us, and for being just generally awesome. We hope you have an absolutely amazing week and weekend ahead. And yes, be cute. Be very cute. We'll do awesome.
We think you're all very cute.
Yes.
Right. Let's.
So let's go say hello to Ryan, our good friend Ryan.
Yes. And see what he's working on today.
See what he's up to.
Are you guys ready? Let's go.
Bye bye. Thank you, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.